Yes.
Let's go to Luxembourg is 2 hours. What is it?
On this week, it's House of Stars. Is there? Is they never underestimate when
Why this country?
Flash was bashing at me? I don't cut your word. The woman was laughing. G, my G. So if he's saying words, he's abusing you, and I laugh, it becomes my problem. They pray that he abuses me. Even when he abuses me, what did I advise him? Stop. You don't know people's heart. And the reason why he abused me, I told him, and even all these days, I've been telling him, you said you're going to the Flash. Please allow yourself. If it's some people, they will not talk to him again. But why would I laugh because he said funny thing? Then you want me to keep quiet to be saying, come on, go power American, European talk here.
Yeah. No, I said it's hard to have job in
Germany, oh, France.
Belgium. This place is
I said,
one
yeah.
of the
No, my problem is it's not because they are many. It's the system, the racism.
yeah, this is
If you don't have documents, would you have job in Sweden? They said it's very cheap and things are very cheap in Sweden. Europe is Europe. They are just lying.
but yeah, but I feel like mostly when I used to watch from Sweden to when I go to Germany usually I see some stuff are more cheaper than in Germany. Yes, because if you calculate
In
the
Swedish.
Swedish, it's more cheaper. Do you understand? And also the reason why Sweden people they are not racism. That the racism is not there. I don't say it's not there, but like the one that I have seen
In
Germany,
Germany, eh,
France or other ones.
Belgium.
I think the Scandinavian country, their system is more different than Central Europe. You understand? I've been to Norway as well. Their life is so moderate.
Yeah,
Yeah, and also about the job opportunities. I've seen most of these people have been to those countries. Like I said, their job.
No,
it's not
it's
stopping.
eh.
You know, like enjoy ya.
HOH.
But like cake here for Italy.
Hey, the BT.
The TP don't
The
Italian.
BT.
Italian.
The BT na even I know outlaws so.
Now wait till you go fry. Okay.
The BT.
The sausage boku. You get half. Okay. Go take salad.
Is it power na cake? The BT. Is it? Is it? I'm using the adjective the BT.
Sweet darling, no matter what they say. Love me, darling. Love me, sweetie. I like that you be my
I don't want to stay in this country anymore. If I am my way, I'll go to another instead of.
Oh, na 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 na.
No, I've been there several times, but it depends. Because
Now I'm when I say which man with you,
I'm not into it, but it's easy. But I don't know
come for
if
you,
it's
don't
easy
think
for
you
some. But
act
you can
like
also
yeah,
ask
yeah.
if you have your
What's not
passport.
tell you? It's not go buy you. No put your friends first, but what money go fail you. What am I no guarantee? What am I no guarantee? What am I to tell you? What am I go talk when till you not talk? What am I no guarantee? We no guarantee at all lot. We no guarantee one.
My check, my check.
What am I sabi well for making better? What am I go killing copy for better?
My check. 1, 2. Yeah. My check. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah.
Why most of us are bitter is
Mic
because
check
of
one.
what we have gone through. Some people might not tell you what when they went straight to Germany, what happens to them? You know what I mean? Because it's also in the system. We know what happens. So, but tonight when it happens, don't worry. People saw what happens. People know what's happening. They don't know what happens in our world. Our world is like this,
Yeah,
but it's good.
of course.
I mean, that's why I've gathered myself long ago. I've prepared everything mentally. That's easy me like this, but I'm very observant.
Sure.
I'm not a baby. Oh. Eh, let's done with you. See, you really played with us today. Ah, see, you see, in 1 hour, we should have cooked, ate, and then.
So, yeah, what take you things a lot good than
This is
Yeah.
the
swear.
CEO.
Yes, see you.
Star.
Yes, see you.
White money.
Yes, CEO.
KDK.
Yes, see you.
Hallelujah.
Go to the storeroom. You have some things there. Before leaving my house, at least
Oh, she came.
before leaving my house,
The one in overseas.
let me give you what you have.
So, stop saying this one.
Why?
Is this not
You don't want to go home?
I don't want to go home, CEO.
Well, let's see if your fans keep you in my house.
Which one? KDK.
Wow.
Easy Flash.
I
You
don't know.
have something there. Go pick it up.
Thank you, sir.
Are you eating in my pool?
Yes, sir.
Check one.
What a superstar you are.
You school superstar.
I am not sure.
Yes, you.
You have a dining to hit. Make sure you don't do it again.
Okay, sir.
I didn't know. And
Star.
when yes,
Let
see
just
you.
Say easy flash.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
It is time.
Yes.
I want you all to
3,000
properly
in
cross-check
university. Yes.
your closet,
So, na me only
the
say.
laundry, for any of your
Where's the
belongings. Because
2,000. Now you get out too.
we
Oh, all be this side.
be missing at least
6.
No to you.
Go pull you one calabo. They're not sorry for you. Go pull her, go pull her.
That's what
I mean, I thought
told
so.
you before we came to this house. I saw this bag. I told you before we came, when you had the accident, I told you that they will try to pull you out. Remember one time?
Mama, I said the one that come. Yeah. Some is my hang up. The one top up, but my guy rent. The one that got me too sexy, baby. The way you can come, so I'm ready for pay. This woman I'm gonna for pay. Car went famous, it's no play. It's still too proper, but my wife for can just see face and too bad. Don't make it touch star. Make sure you get the paper for the data. Cause surely they swallow money like the water. You get for spell or check before you patter. The broke nigga, it never matter. She's too excellent, yo. The way she twinkle, I make a nigga go crazy. Just a single one, she get that sweet banana. Yeah.
Oh, this is Zenzi. Omba, Zenzi. Omba, Omba. Cream soap. This is not only smell na this sauce. Oh wow. Ompa, Ompa. Blumping. The pyramid thing, eh? That's the best thing you have ever worn in this house. The pyramid, the one with the thing. No, KDK, I'm serious. You will teach me how to work out. Eh, that work, I need it. Because I cannot walk like Lolo. That I won't like. My boki is not in that position. But like a man, I will try because, you know, I can't walk on high shoes. That one. But the way he walks, I think I will try. You have to teach me. If we survive. If we survive, teach me. You teach all the men. Me that do like tomboy. You don't want to teach me. That is wickedness. If I survive, please. You have to. Yes, with the oil. You see your face. Look at her face when she's using the oil. Do you see? Have you seen the difference? Yeah. Some days oil, some days not. You will see how your body will look. Because they hey, this love, yeah. I swear, sometimes I'm scared. Yesterday, when you started, brrr, brrr. You are wicked. But it's good. You're giving some energy to the house that brrr, brrr, when he was riding his.
Maybe then I take the film, not come and yes.
You know who was funny for me? Is Flash. It's a man who was asleep. Brrr. I said, go there. You and MZ, don't fight.
Look at that Flash woke up, he saw it was me. Say loud the music.
I thought he said, man, they want
Say
sleep.
loud the music, please, loud the music.
Oh. Anyway, you really lighten the house and show them how to use, because we never knew how to use the thing. But now everybody knows how to use it.
After, if you are going to do something, do it well. That's the law. Do it well. Don't come to
Because anyway, my own thing I will miss in this house is that I haven't said it, but when the one with when the matter and the rest went to attack me. That was the shake. No, with the pot covers that I put together. That was that one. I won't stop laughing when I see that video. I really want to see that video. I know for sure. That one was good. I mean, except otherwise, but I'm not sure you will go. To sit here is not easy. Yeah, the good thing that I love about here is when you want to sleep, you look like a baby. Now your boy. He's the Flash. See you acting.
One day, you ain't gonna make palagas.
No.
One day. You understand? I never been talked like this saying that the simplest possible for
No, my problem, that because of the paracetamol, and he was triggered because.
Don't tell like by the Flash business and get one style. And that's when I really say he like food, but if you observe, I'm not greedy.
No, it is share.
And na quality they come on again. You know greedy. No matter it's food and personal food now, other food now they share. I said it. The only thing we tell them get better some food business. In food now fix. You can even control like that. You understand?
Yeah, he gave out.
Not to like say boss ask how. Just know thank you man.
Pure gangster now so then they will. But I only person used to the street life they will live and play. They don't make palaver.
No, me from that day what tell me heart, Unas FC, I done with them. As long as waiting and God. Me, I know able to keep posting a heart. But if you allow me for huh? Yeah, we cool.
Business.
I know me, I able to live with boy picking pass, girl picking them because I'm a free person. I don't take things personal. If I want to say it, I say it free. But for us, when you stay with the woman, everything you say, she takes it personal, bring this. So that's what I don't like about being friend with women. That's why I don't have too many women friends. And they know me for provocation. But if my provocation eats you, then go be it. That is my own attitude. Say two legs, small talk. Quit not this small talk. You tell me a story, I tell you my story. So what is it? But anyway. When you plan to do somebody, then the person don't even see what you are doing. That's what eats people's up, because the planning has been there, but I don't see it. Because I'm not that person who focuses on what people does. It's only what I do. Don't worry. If it's got time, you will go. If it's not this time, 7 weeks. The good people. Morris was a very good one. He went 2 weeks.
Punishments go take place.
I win. I don't win. I will not die.
Yeah, of course.
But I know for sure I'm famous.
Yeah. Me, if I save today, what am I going to see in this house?
Yeah.
Keep myself busy.
Yeah. The last time when I said what they said, you all gang against me and said, we don't believe her, this and that. Okay.
What do you mean?
Last week when I said what Momizu said to me about you guys thought I was lying, so I kept quiet.
As I told you earlier, when someone says, so I don't like to, I should have even done it to you. Done it to you.
No, that's why I say it in front. I don't go at the back.
When I asked her, she said no, she didn't say that in front of you again. She said, and I just forget about myself. And even when I go there, I said, okay, what you guys said is true. Yeah, everything. So just kill, you understand? But this thing that happened here, even in my next life, I never have any clue what happened. I will go and watch that thing.
This man was in the water. I was thinking, because what I heard is the sound of 2 bottles. And then you guys just left like this. The thing, the hands was like this. So I don't really know. And you know me now, I don't drink. And that day, they make me drink. Is this mad place? They make her drink. My husband is.
Amy,
Is it?
you can't do toast, champagne toast. If you don't pour champagne, you think it's. You can go add fans about the champagne.
I told to God, he said, no mix.
Me, I'll come out to me. We go a lot in partying business.
I'll go out. We have to eat.
That's all. Ready for the wine there?
No, I don't want wine. You buy me Fanta.
Fanta? Well, no, I don't know if you say anything, call her no day. But no, if you so drink in the mixer. Hello.
Because I didn't know. I thought you mix it. Like yesterday, I made the Fanta and the water. I mixed both of them together.
Fanta and water?
Yes, that's what I drank yesterday.
Water.
Yeah.
Water sip the champagne. 2 minutes later, water come. See me face.
It sweats.
I say, half couple, you know, it's half couple.
I was sweating. I went to the police.
I passed straight and I said, oh, it's a problem.
So imagine now.
I said, I don't so swallow, so.
You will carry me,
Pass
and
it.
then you carry me, and then the whole people say, look at them. They are, the internet.
Yeah.
That's why I just jump into the water.
You didn't drink that much, so that was okay for you. At least a little bit to just. You know, guys, block size block will solve your problem.
Imagine.
You can't wait for fly side people that look at another soup. Or they fly you at
I don't die.
I want to get bad thinking.
Hey, what are they to be fly? He used to have a jump. And you actually with a jump.
You see Stadium Pool, eh? The big one. I used to swim there. A lot of people, No.
They pull you outside.
You know, say they don't pull water there. They tell water not be that be the fly. Then say they are not get body safe. If you see me, like, man, I'll show you one of my pictures.
I say people in there are police there.
Yeah, but it's the way you go in the water. It's not the water that has the problem. If they don't know how to swim, when you spring, the skull, the chest. So that's why you go like this. Yeah, you don't force yourself. That's the problem. A lot of people die.
I saw a in there power so. It's a gift for English, huh? So you got much to do.
It's the way you spring. I know. Right. We just have to talk to control ourselves. Nobody knows. Afonata, yeah. Even me, I know.
We pray.
If the fans evict her, no problem. It's just the way. But it's not an intentional accident. That's my only thing I would say. And if I go out, I would say the same thing. If they ask me, but if nobody asks me, it's not my business to talk about it. They've already had me saying it. I will say what exactly I saw, but Life is like that. That's what I'm telling you. Just try to control your temper as much as you can.
Jabobi.
You want us to see?
Yeah, Jabo, you don't appear.
Oh, this one is nice.
When Jabo, you appear.
But it's not white money, so go.
This is yellow money.
This is yellow money.
Black, like yellow,
And he's wearing pentacle.
That's what I tell her.
but he wear white culture though.
Because he told me I don't want nothing in this life, only white.
White money. That will be good.
Jabo, before white money.
Yeah, you know why? What's he get? What's he get?
He has shoulder pad in the clothes
I wish I forgot
with 36 bottom.
like if 9 for the couch
Fine. Well, you know what believe.
He's wearing short book
the
under.
manager don't let me pass Miss CEO. Miss CEO. What I call Dr. Grandma Jalo.
How many times today have you talked Creole?
I won't forget about it.
You know the HOH is there.
It's not about the age, it's the CEO.
My CEO, Dr. Grandma Jalo.
Don't worry.
2 minutes.
Oh,
3
God, my
minutes,
ways,
4 minutes.
you will get life is like that.
See, you let me pass this account. So just because of the love of Miss CEO, apart from
If I say we're going to see a lot of things.
Yeah, change.
Yeah, I don't have time to talk with people. In the morning, I'll engage myself.
Yeah.
If you have things to do, come and be creating some things.
Yeah.
I have lots of things, clothes I can be
Yeah.
adding some things there, create it for myself. If I sit down, if it's a flash save, I'll call you the flash, please let's come and do something, right? So,
Otherwise, because you
because
see,
if you engage yourself, that's what will give you less problem.
yes.
Me,
You see me, because I know people want to fight me. You see the way I talk one and I balance.
yeah. If I save this week, God save me from this trouble that want to meet me. I don't know where this problem came from. Trust me, because if you see the last fight I had,
It's not that somebody break the
Yeah.
bottle.
yeah,
But
yeah. I don't know. Me, when I go out, I would love to watch that video.
you watch it, so you'll
What
keep it
happened?
for you.
Yeah, what happened? Let me see.
Ooh, your stitches has gone.
Nice. I'll keep it. Let me know what happened. Yeah. Let me know what happened.
God. Just try to do exercise, even because you see my skin the way it is.
Yeah.
When you do exercise, you become firm, and it also keep your mind smooth. Trust me.
Because of the mindset, because the skin is so nice. Like, look at it.
Yeah.
Because from the morning, my
Because
body
you
is
are
like
tall.
this. Yeah, my body is like this. It's soft. Even when they gave back to me, my mom told me my body is like this.
I have a friend who used to be like that.
Yeah.
But that one, I make her exercise. If you see me that introduced her to exercise, she had left me behind. She don't have nothing.
Yeah, casually.
She's almost having 6-pack now. If you see her, her legs, she don't miss her exercise in the morning. And if she sees me now, I'm not doing exercise in the morning, but she will know that because like the place is small to exercise and all this. And to exercise in the living room without television is not easy. That's why we go for exercise. For all the exercise that I've been in this house, I'm the one who has done correct one when I lead. It's nice, man. The sandals. I cannot work on these ones. They pointed. I'm not interested. You see, I wear this. I wear the shoes. After 30 minutes, I say, you don't do. This is what that is in Europe now. Me, I don't know. With this 1964, 36 bottom. I hear Even
This is the CEO.
Yes, CEO.
Styles.
Yes,
To the living room now.
Okay, thank you. Hey, come, white money. Raise me up, please. Who you? To the living room now.
And there is no water to flush. Use the alcohol, pour water in the flush and flush. That's that. You are distressing yourself. Always.
How much do you have there? You want to take? You want to take this one?
Use your common sense. There is the alcohol is working. Even if there is no water in the flush, lift the flush up, use the hand pump, put the water in the flush, and press the red button to flush. Simple. Unless I teach you etiquette or ethics,
you guys don't know 6.6. Very disrespectful. You are
It's okay already. Oh, okay. Because yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Stars,
Yes, see you.
check your battery and sit down.
You can use this ones. They are good. This one.
Disrespecting your management. Being flush. There is water in the alcohol. Why will not leave the body flush? Use the alcohol, pour the water in the flush and flush. You will see two bottles, red and black. That's the red bottle. Unless I tell you a guy, teach you, I put you to school. Tell you about that. I know it's that's sitting. Yeah. Very bad. And they always complain, someone be in the front without flushing. Even there is no water. You can't come, it's always happening. There is water in the alcohol.
This is the CEO.
Yes.
White money.
Yes, CEO.
Stand up.
We're supposed to be.
Lady Nata.
Yes, see you.
Stand up. Easy Flash.
Yes.
Stand up. Salma.
Yes, see you.
Stand up.
Yes, sir.
Stars.
Yes, you.
Lawlessness against the rules in my mansion is unacceptable and punishable by appropriate penalties as stated in the rule book. For any action, there is a proportionate reaction, and for any incident, some decisions are to be made. As the CEO of the House of Stars mansion, I have to make some decision. Stars,
Yes, see you.
it is tough, but it has to be done. Never knew I have an angel of death in my mansion. As one of my stars to make threats against another star's life. That is outrageous. And the pool saga, blood in my pool area instead of fun. Stars,
Yes,
I hate to disqualify a star. I hate to bring down a star. I bring you all here to add value on you. Stars.
yes, see you.
Now to the pool party saga. But first, the angel of death, let me deal with you. White money.
Yes, CEO.
You have one strike for threatening to kill Easy Flash in my mansion. The next time, you will be disqualified.
Okay, sir.
Easy Flash and white money.
Yes,
Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
I have watched all that happened from the perspective of the different cameras in my mansion and the investigation ensured, where I obtained statements from eyewitness. Some said exactly what they saw, while some other people lied. But I see, hear, and know everything that happened in my mansion. And I see you all equally in my house. And I want the best for each and every one of you. Stars.
Yes, CEO.
I, the CEO of this mansion, will always protect you. I saw stout bottles crash in the air, and the next thing, Salma has blood dripping from her hand. Here is what happened. It started with Salma trying to gain the attention of KDK.
Yellow bits.
Salma
Yes, CEO.
was doing what she was doing, trying to attract KDK. And later took a water gun and started spraying at KDK and Lady Nata. My pool is a place to go get fun, to swim and enjoy. Spraying water on one another is not a crime. And no one should be angry for that. If you don't want to swim, at least get wet. But no stars are allowed to spray on someone's face or eyes. While trying to annoy or trying to attract KDK, to the annoyances of Lady Nata, she took another water gun from Easy Flash and sprayed at Salma. Then Salma poured stout alcohol into the water gun and sprayed at Lady Nata. It is supposed to be a water gun, not an alcohol gun. Nata was impatient to pour alcohol in the gun. She grabbed a bottle of salt and poured on Salma while Salma was in the pool. Salma, in turn, took a bottle of stout and poured on Lady Nata, and the liquid entered her eyes. Lady Nata took a bottle and poured on Salma, so on and so forth. Stars.
Yes, you.
What do we call that? Reckless behavior, clash of anger, temperamental. According to my finding, it was an accident that could have been prevented with anger management, creating drama in moderation. Salma, for pouring alcohol in the gun meant for water and spraying at Lady Nata that accidentally entered Nata's eyes. For that, Salma,
Yes, you.
step forward. Have you packed your things?
Yes, you.
Salma,
Yes, you.
Salma,
Yes, you.
why did you pour alcohol into the water gun?
Because she first poured the alcohol on my face, so me to take the alcohol in the cup and I put it and in the gun and I spray it. I didn't mean it to pour it on her face, but mistakenly, as she said.
Salma.
Yes, my darling, see you.
Salma.
Yes, my darling, see you. I'm sorry for that.
Salma.
Yes, my darling, see you.
Why did you dress today like that?
I just feel like dressing today like this. My darling, see you.
Are you expecting to go home?
Anything is God wish, and you too. Because you know that I used to dress like a...
Salma.
Yes, see you.
For that, you have one strike and you have lost 3 weeks in Sensi. Take your seat.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And can I say
something? Take your seat. Lady Nata.
Yes, sir.
You have anger management issues. You express anger beyond control. You provoke and tease one another. Sorry, to provoke and tease one another is not a crime. It is all part of the game. Salma was dancing to attract KDK, not you. If that you see as provocation, it's basic. You did not enter my mansion with a husband. KDK is mine, not yours. If you manage to go outside with him, you can do whatever you want with him. In here, he is here for me. I can ask him to stop talking to you right now, and he will do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You fell for the pits, and eventually, instead of reporting Salma for spraying alcohol or water on you, you retaliated by using the stout bottle to pour on Salma. And she did the same until the bottle clashed and broke in pieces. From the one you healed, got Salma. For that, Lady Nata. Lady Nata.
Yes, sir.
Lady Nata.
Yes, you.
Do you know how many strikes you have?
2.
I see. Lady Nata.
Yes, you.
4 only. Salma Han in the here. You have 1 strike. Lady Nata.
Yes, you.
And Lady Nata.
Yes, you.
You have lost 5 weeks in Sensi. Even if you win the show, That will be deducted from your winning money. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Stars.
We are okay now, eh?
Stars.
Yes.
I now switch to double D for today's eviction. Good luck.
See you.
Easy flash.
Yes, you.
Stand up. Easy flash.
Yes, you.
Last week you poured the bottled water into the sealed bottle water into the water gun just to spray on people while you have another water to do so. And also this week you are the first person who almost started putting stout into the water gun.
No, see you.
Yes, if you argue, I will double your punishment. You have one strike for those behaviors. Take your seats. Double D, take over.
Told you.
At Kent Village. I am your host, Double D, and this is Eviction Week 7.
Welcome to Eviction Week 7. I mean, we've gone so far. We have a few more weeks to go. And welcome once again. I am Maria Tudukuri, your host. And of course, I have the handsome Double D by my side.
I try.
So of course, before we start, we always give a big shout out to all of our sponsors. Thank you so much to Orange Money for making this show a possibility. Thanks to Sierra Juice. Thanks to all of our media houses, SLBC, Slbc TV, of course, Amaze TV, and all of our TV stations down there at Liberia, and whoever watching us from Facebook and YouTube. Thank you so much. And of course, I want to say a big thanks to all of my sponsors, which are Ava Madam Ella for my outfits, Mariam's Way for my hair, and Iris Adventure for my makeup.
Awesome, awesome. What a quick shout out to B West Boutique. So are we ready to see who will go and who will stay? Well, let's head into the House of Stars. M2 will be on the side to make sure you get to talk to your favorite star. Now let's head into the house. Once again, a big shout out to B West Boutique, the fans in Turkey, Mariama Bokari in Dubai, and more.
Ooh, Natsa and KDKR.
They are looking pretty sharp today.
Yes.
Stars, please, I need all of you to line up in front of the superstar chair. In front of the superstar chair, please. We want a very clear view of all of you. Stand in front of the superstar chair. Once again, we're broadcasting live from Kent Village here in Sierra Leone, West Africa. You ready to rock, Marima?
Yes, of course.
Let's get it. Now, everyone, please stand in front of the superstar chair, and we will commence. DJ by Hitman. Who is here for Satu 16? Uh-oh. And a big shout out to the former House of Stars contestants in the building. Let's see who will go or who will stay. Satu 16. step forward. Oh, I enjoy me country plan too. I tell you. Satu 16, please step forward. Face the stairs. When I call your name, you will step forward and face the stairs. DJ by a minute, please. First, before I give Satu 16 this news, which everyone
16,
will
where
not
are you going?
be happy. Everyone will not be happy with what I have to say.
Satu, please come to the center.
Please return to the center, Satu 16. Satu 16, please turn around. Thank you. Everyone that I call, do the same thing Satu 16 has just done. Now, before I give this good or bad news, I want M2 to talk to one of her fans. Who wants to say something nice about Satu 16? Remember, you do not give any advice to the contestant.
Yes.
No advice should be given.
Make we talk. Just stand there. Make we talk again. Do not send any. Not try for make for send any message. You will be cut off by the CEO himself. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
So what's name?
I'm name Muhammad Joseph Kamara. I'm now Satu 16 brother.
Let me smell what I can talk to one minute.
You look very handsome.
My brother.
I say you look very handsome.
Oh, thank you.
So yes, he looks very. So, what do you think about Satu in performance so far?
Well, Satu performance, so like a shock. This is a reality TV show. You can expect anything. Now feelings, and working in feelings, right? But like, I don't mean self, but it can big. Not something big, yeah. Although yes, you don't go inside there for any love relationship, but like this is a reality TV show. You gotta expect unexpected. And I believe saying like a strong woman, you always stand on your own. You always be without in be. You understand? So like I don't get any regrets or anything so far. They regret me so far. Will shock me or will stop me if I don't take a step forward. That's why me and the manager they out there. They fight some hard for her till the end.
So let me just ask you this question about what just happened with Salma and Nata. You feel say CEO be lenient with them if we don't disqualify or what's your thoughts?
Well, I ain't got no idea about that because I didn't came here for Nata. I came here for my sister, Satu 16. So I ain't got any idea about that. What you're talking about?
You don't mix.
I'm here for Satu.
So that's Satu no more in the way they watch. Now Satu no more in this.
That's why I'm here. I'm here for Satu 16. And the reason why I carry and I follow can win the show and focus on the game. You need to change the game.
So if you're not knowing,
who they win?
If you're not knowing,
if I don't win.
We're not sure so now they win. We're not sure.
Well, let's see.
Thank you.
DJ Bye, hit me once again. We have Satoon 16 fans out here. I believe her brother came with a vehicle. Satu 16. You have endured 7 weeks in the CEO's mansion. Your fans want to see you stay, but remember, it's your votes that counts. Satu 16, have a seat. You are safe for this week in the House of Stars. DJ Bye, we're gonna continue. Hit me. Who is here for Lady Nata? Oh wow. I'll call you in a minute. When she comes out, if she comes out, you can talk to her. Is that okay? You want her to come out? Let her come out?
She's not understanding you.
You want her to come out? Remember, it's up to your fans. If you don't vote, they cannot remain in the house. Lady Nata, a moment please. DJ Bye, a moment. Lady Nata, you had quite a pool party.
Exactly.
Quite a pool party.
Ask her sister, please come up. What's your thoughts?
Let's see what your fans think about your behavior.
Hello, how you do?
I do fine.
What's your name?
Famata M. Kaba.
So Fatima, so we see what just happened with Nata and Salma upline picking, and we see say CEO don't give them like a really heavy,
5 weeks.
5 weeks. That's
incentives.
Now, but come on, Nida, what do you think about all the saga will happen?
Well, what to make it for say, we can expect anything at the show. Everybody go for walkings in Thailand at the show. You can expect anything can happen.
So you expect say you go be disqualified today?
No.
So if you say what did they do, no lead, no warrant disqualification?
Not at all.
So what about the punishment where they give you okay?
No, would they accept?
Sister Mommy.
So you expect say you go stay inside the house today or you go come out?
No, we go stay inside the house.
And you believe so you go in?
Yes, we go in.
I know that. So how will not go in? Start to 16, then back they say that they win. The other one they say that they win.
All car for car win. So everybody they playing game. Me, I just want to say no more. We know the game. Now we get the game inside. Yes, after we na low batting, Nata, keep on doing your good work.
Thank you very much, darling.
DJ Bye, give me 10 seconds of Nata's bye-bye song. Remember, this is reality TV, ladies and gentlemen, season 2. And we already have plans for season 3. Lady Nata.
Yes, double D.
Or should I say Nata the boxer? Lady Nata.
Yes, double D.
I'm sorry to say, Lady Nata, that not everyone will be happy tonight. Have a seat. You are also safe for this week.
Thank you.
You never know what will happen. We have 2 people safe so far. Now, Watamama, please step forward. Who is here for Watamama? Oh my.
You know.
A moment, please.
Only one person, please. One person.
You will cause Watsamomo to be disqualified if you do not go down. Watsamomo will be disqualified if you do not leave the stage. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Mohamed Aziz Wage, manager 001 for Team Motivation Watamamo.
So, I see today, una specifically Watamamo, una sweep this one whole place for you. What's happened?
Of course, we know what Watamamo they do. Watamamo is a professional cleaner. So today we portray all what Watamamo they do inside this hall. We don't clean this hall from this morning. We never clean here. First of Watamamo, we here. Oh yes, we will continue to clean.
Let me see the broom. Let me see the broom. Let me see.
It's amazing. I mean, the CEO, King's Empire, una need to tell them thank you today because they cleaned this place. I literally see where una sweep the one place like that's amazing. So far, how the voting they go? How the correction?
Thank you very much. I think so far we do very well. We try the team. Nabo, Kenema, Makeni, Kono, Kabbalah, all over this country, they do extremely well. All she needs to do is to just take some ice block and then show us what she can do. Watamamo, we got you out here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the job today.
This is what it's all about, fan support. And it doesn't mean to just show up on a Sunday. You have to cast your votes. DJ Bye, please continue. A big shout out once again to Queen Iffy, B West Boutique, Mariam Bokari in Dubai, Prezomer, and all the fans in Turkey. Watamama, nothing lasts forever. All good things must come to an end. But we still need you to keep cleaning the house. Have a seat. You are set for this week. DJ Bye, let's keep the ball rolling. Amaze TV. If you're watching from Facebook or YouTube, if you're in America and you cannot watch from TikTok, hush.
Well, I think they've just lifted the ban.
Now let's go for Salma. Salma, please step forward, Salma. The other pool party specialist in the house, Salma. The pool party specialist. Salma, you have also done well in the House of Stars. Everyone has a temper, but we must learn to check our tempers. There's 100,000 leones, a house and a car. You need to be careful with your behavior, and that goes for all of the stars. Salma, you have been penalized. 1 strike and loss of privileges. Your fans voted for you. Nevertheless, have a seat, Salma. You are safe for this week. A big shout out to Orange Money, Onga.
Please, Salma fans,
thank you, black people, mommy, I love you.
Let's bring a fan up here.
Yes, sweetie.
Many thanks to our sponsors.
This Nailan Salma. Nailan Salma for fets. This. Nailan for fets.
Oh my God. I did it. Why did she come near me? It's okay. We don't bite. I did it. It's like
They do well, thank you. Mine thank you, Kamara.
So then Salma don't lost 5 weeks incentive. Now they don't there for the 7 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks. Sorry, 3 weeks of money where they get every day. That's a lot of money. What do you think about that?
That's what for beer. No option.
You don't just get for beer.
Yeah.
So you feel safe that be disqualified to the high for being failed, but would it have been okay if you say what you do warrants disqualification?
Well, anybody can do mistake. No way, no default.
So what did Salma do? What are wrong? Now he wrong or not wrong?
Well, I know.
You know they watch the show?
I dey watch her. I no go able to judge.
She's political.
Okay, anyway, so how far with una preparation? How far with una voting? How wanna voting they go?
Still day on. Let we sister continue for do well no more. Get anything for do for him because we na upline. We dey.
Awesome.
That mistakes will happen. Me are not happy. That expensive joke with them. Allow us see me put my sister there. Maka not happy.
Okay, she said she's not happy about that. We understand. Thank you so much, yeah? And
So
congratulations.
they apologize on her behalf. Let's give it up for all the up. Who that come out upline? Who that come out from upline now? Myself. Me now we're about first. We're about first not upline, eh? DJ Bye, hit me. Who is here for Easy Flash? Easy Flash, they gave him a little bit of power and he went overboard with the power today. Let's see if his fans voted for him. Easy Flash, 7 weeks in the CEO's mansion. Some people that do not even know you now. So, Easy Flash, you can't talk to him just now, don't worry.
I'm not getting
Easy Flash, remember it is up to your fans to vote for you. I see your manager is up here, so he should know more than anyone how your voting has been going. DJ Bye, suspense please. Yeezy Flash. Your manager want to talk to you. You want to talk to Anado? You want to come outside and talk to your manager? Let him come outside? I thought so. Yeezy Flash. Have a seat. You are safe for this week, Yeezy Flash. And I'm going to let the fans talk to you. Come on. So this manager really wants, and remember, do not give any advice to your guy.
How you do? You come up line today back for come see Easy Flash?
Yeah, sure. If for no streets from the south side, well, me na high five and flesh. For the 8s, go suck kiss.
So wait, I want to understand fact. You don't come stay in Freetown for some time, or you dey come out upline every week for come, or the weeks away they come now upline they come out straight and come.
Well, I get a lot of things in back. Now, but we are not able just pause and can there, so like I can just say turn up whenever able for turn.
Wow, that's a huge law for the pay that transport all the time for the guys. So how far on a voting they go? How far on they make sure say people they come in for support Easy Flash?
Well, really we dey try because like as of now we they await the release of the album. We already been on complete every bit of so like in getting on parts where don't play and we self don't play we own parts and the fans themselves get them parts then for play. And from inside the house you can testify see yeah the music is then good. So people then just they fall for and get more raps for deliver, like I just tip of the iceberg.
Mic check.
Alright, thank you so much and congratulations to Easy Flash for making it to the 7th week.
Thank you. 7 weeks. He's done well. Everyone in there who has made it this far is definitely a winner. DJ Bye, hit me. It's time to stop being the good guy. I've been the good guy long enough. Now it's time for me for change face. SL White's Money, please step forward. Who is here for SL White Money? As always, so far everyone has been safe. Now things are about to change, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, this is reality television. Do you want to share this news, M2? M2 don't want to talk on. White's Money, week number 7. I also wish you the best at week number 8 because you are safe. White Money, have a seat. That's Money, have a seat. That's Money is safe once again. Let's talk to the people. Anything can happen.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you? Now your name Alpha Kera, the Secretary General for One U Africa, the official sponsor for White Money, and at the same time the college mates for White Money.
Oh, so White Money gets official sponsor. White Money gets official sponsor.
Oh yes, White Money gets official sponsor, and then in CEO and manager when a Dr. Brema Jallo, then a United States of America.
Wow, so that's amazing. So how far on our voting they go? Because we dey see, of course, after every eviction, we dey see the charts how on the votes, how on the voting they go. So when I feel say this week when I go come up small by the voting because when I look then at the middle.
Of course, like as a management, we dey work on that seriously for let we ensure say like, we claim up the charts. You understand? And then we don't put so many strategies because like as I say, White Money gets fan base past everybody else within that house.
White Money gets fan base past all
like White Money na Fugabite, you understand? And then white money, then are the political science na Furabe College. So like I believe say if Furabe College, all the students then come together and at the same time the constituents of Furabe College, when our IPAM and commerce, we come together, at least white money go able for win this particular show. And for sure we hope for that.
Wait, when I wait to talk, you say white money get fan base pass una all
Una all.
Una agree? I don't understand. I didn't get that part. So you know, feel say we're not going to win this show.
Of course, I get all the confidence for say we dey win this particular show. And then I believe say the general entity self there for white money, and at the same time, eminent club of Furabe College there for white money. And if all the people and they come together, trust me, something big gets for happen for white money. And all what we hope for now for the win. We hope for the 3 trips, we hope for the 100,000, we hope for the house, and at the same time we hope for the car.
Okay, thank you so much.
So as he said, white money get fans then pass all manaya.
Yes.
And she was the first person here. DJ Bye, let's continue. Purple Flame, Purple Flame. Please step forward, Purple Flame. Okay. The most, how can I say, eccentric member of the house. Someone that really has a sense of fashion and is not afraid to express herself. Purple Flame, good luck on the 8th week of the House of Stars, because you are also safe. Have a seat. Purple Flame, you are safe. DJ Bye, do not stop the music. Christian Bryant, all the way from Liberia to take part in the House of Stars. Christian Bryant. I remember when Pretty left the house, Christian Bryant, he actually cried. Christian Bryant shed tears for hours when Pretty left the House of Stars.
He was MZ actually.
Both of them, they were very emotional. They stick together. I love that about Liberians. We need to photocopy. Now, Christian Bryant, I have good news and bad news for you. The good news, Christian Bryant, is that you will be able to see Pretty at the King's Empire Hotel tonight. The bad news is, Christian Bryant, you have been evicted. You have 10 seconds to leave my mansion. 10 seconds. The good news, you will see Pretty tonight at the King's Empire Hotel. The bad news, you have 5 seconds to leave the mansion. You know, Christian Bryant, he actually did very well in the house, M2. He stayed out of trouble and, you know, he tried. That's all you can do. But remember, it is up to you, the fans, to vote. Christian Bryant, we need to see you right now.
Now the ratio of male to female has...
Christian Bryant is making his way on stage after 7 weeks in the House of Stars. So definitely, he is already a winner. Welcome to the outside world. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We should have did that in the house. Why you not dance like that in inside the house? M2 has a couple of questions for you.
Hello, Christian. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you to all of the Sierra Leoneans that voted for me to stay in the house for 7 weeks. I am so impressed. Thank you to my fans, my friends in like Lolo Simeon, Watamumo, MC exclusive. Salva, Bauna Village girl. Thank you, I love you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you to those that voted for me from Liberia and all over. Thank you so much. I'm so proud.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bryant. I will speaking to you soon at the fan zone. Please make your way downstairs.
You know, I want to ask him, now that you have left the house, who will you be voting for?
Yes, I have MZ there, and I also have Lola Simeon.
Okay, before you go, do that dance back. Do the dance.
Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television on channel 31. This is Weekend News getting you live on TV. The headlines. Sierra Leone police launches investigation into brutal killing of Vopa radio journalist Brahma Matia. Orange Mobile Company slammed with $1 million fine due to poor network quality. And a 7-man delegation of technical experts completes a 5-day technical assessment with Statistics Sierra Leone. These stories and more plus sports and entertainment are all a part of Weekend News tonight. Please stay with us if you can. This is according to Director of Professional Standards at the Sierra Leone Police, Francis Aisley, who was speaking to journalists during the weekly press briefing at the police headquarters, George Street in Freetown. Sulaiman Babaturi was there and in our reports.
2024 to December 31st, 2024, we will get a breakdown of the following cases under PHE here. The dismissal cases will be get now 15. Who travel in the police because of the bad conduct. Who go northwest, northeast, now 5 people will travel. Northwest, now 1 person will travel. Freetown West, now 7 people will travel. Freetown East, now 3 people will travel. Eastern region, now 2 will travel. Southern region, now 8, total 41.
The director added that they punished 153 with correction training and stroke of 80 for not performing their duty, among others. Francis Hasley said they recommended for the dismissal of 52 police officers.
On our police headquarters here, we get 23 who will recommend for dismissal. Northeast, we get 3. Northwest, we get 4. Freetown West, we get 5. Freetown East, we get 7. Eastern region, we get 4. Southern region, we get 6. Totally 52.
Director of Training, AIG Sayomba Senesi, said in 2024, the Sierra Leone Police had 27 local trainings where about 1,194 police officers from across the country benefited. He said police officers benefited from 26 trainings in Egypt, Nigeria, China and Ghana, among others, on cyber crimes, basic ICT and sexual offences and more.
First activity for the year 2024 was the training of traffic personnel, other frontline police officers and traffic wardens on conflict prevention and peace building. The essence was to enable these target groups become sustainable agents of peace owing to the implications difference among law enforcement officers and commercial bike riders have on international security.
Director of Operations, Sierra Leone Police, AIG Martin Senesi, said their relationship with other security agencies has over the years proven to be very useful in the maintenance of peace and stability. He said the aim behind the installation of security cameras in public places was not only to capture crimes, but also to monitor the activities of police officers in those places. AIG Martin Senesi said they had plans to install cameras at different checkpoints in the country. SLBC News, Sulaiman Babaturi reporting.
Still with the Sierra Leone Police. Now, Sierra Leone Police has told a visiting delegation from both the Sierra Leone Association of Journalists (SLAJ) and Sport Writers Associations or SWASAL that it has opened investigation into the brutal killing of Vopa journalist Samuel Brahma Matia. Support officer of Waterloo Police Division, Superintendent Thomas Rubin Mansaye, said 4 individuals are currently in custody, including the station manager of Vopa Radio, Joseph Lamine. He assured the team that the police was treating the matter with the utmost seriousness it deserves, with the aim to uncover the truth and bring the perpetrators to justice. President of SLAJ, Ahmed Said Nazirala, emphasized the importance of thorough investigation, urging the police to take the necessary time to ensure that justice is ultimately served. He called on the police to conduct the investigation professionally. The corpse of Samuel Brahma Matia was found at the perimeter fence of the Waterloo Correctional Center after he was reported missing on Thursday, 16th January 2025. And now, the police hospital at Kintom has received a new shipment of medical supplies for the first quarter of January 2025 Assistant Superintendent Dr. John Mumune Conte emphasized that this delivery is part of a comprehensive plan to ensuring that police officers receive adequate medical support, which is crucial to maintaining their physical and mental well-being while serving the community. The new supplies are expected to address a variety of health care needs, thereby increasing the hospital's capacity to deliver quality medical care. Dr. Conte assured that the delivery process involved stock verifiers and the Sierra Leone Police Pharmacy, confirming that the supplied medicines are safe and unexpired. This ensures transparency throughout the procurement and delivery process. Looking ahead, Dr. Conte announced that additional medical consignments are on the way, underscoring ongoing efforts to enhance health care infrastructure, not only within the western area, but across police health facilities in the country. And now on a sad note, Vice President Dr. Mohamed Jule Jallow, who is also a Fuller, has joined his counterpart at the funeral of Mohamed Sierra Jallow, who died as a result of a gruesome car accident. Until his death, Mohamed Sierra Jallow was a board member of the National Commission for Social Action, NACSA, an executive member of both Tabital Pulaku International Sierra Leone Chapter and the National Democratic Alliance Party. Emmanuel Samora has details.
An occasion that was supposed to be about mourning transformed into celebrating a life well spent by the late Mohamed Sierra Jallow. MSJ, as he was fondly called, was described as an upright, honest and humble personality who always stands on the side of the truth. As a board member of the National Commission for Social Action, the Commissioner of NACSA, Ambassador Ernest Dumaina, recognized MS Jallow as a fatherly figure, soft-spoken, humble, truthful, but firm in decision-making, and one that guides people on the right path. Vice President Dr. Mohamed Jule Jallow disclosed that he was the one that recommended MS Jallow for the position, adding that he was proud having recommended him because he proved himself well. Dr. Jule Jallow described Mohamed Sierra Jallow as a peacemaker, one that always advised him on things he should do to bridge unity amongst Fullers in the country.
I don't miss a big brother, I don't miss a big advisor, and also there be a bridge. We come from build bridge, the build bridge is still in particular group, and they do extremely, they do well, particular group. So today,
Sheikh Suleiman Bai, in a somber tone, spoke about MS Jallow's work and dedication to Tabital Pulaku International Sierra Leone Chapter and his enthusiasm towards bridging peace among Fuller and the nation at large. Family members of the deceased expressed similar sentiments. Mohamed Sierra Jallow died in a gruesome car accident along the Bo Highway in December of 2024, and until his death, he was a board member at NACSA and an executive member of both Tabital Pulaku International Sierra Leone Chapter and the National Democratic Alliance Party. Emmanuel Samoa, SLBC.
This is Weekend News reaching you live from the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television on Channel 31. Still in the news, as Sierra Leone gears up for another census in 4 years, a 7-man delegation of technical experts from United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, or UNECA, United States Census Bureau, and United Nations Population Fund has completed a 5-day technical and result-oriented assessment and support mission with Statistics Sierra Leone. The assessment mainly examined StatSL's preparedness as well as its capacity to conduct the 2025 digital census, building on the lessons learned from the 2021 midterm digital census. It also aims to specifically identify key areas of support and collaboration for the conduct of the census. The technical experts from UNCB, UNFPA, and UNECA deployed among many other methodologies, the tool for assessing statistical capacity to determine Statistics Sierra Leone's technical capacity to undertake the census. The assessment indicates that StatSL has professional capacity to undertake a census, but revealed that areas of mapping, sampling, and data processing, among others, require capacity building and training in terms of human resources and technology. Statistician General, Chief Census Officer Andrew Bob Johnny expressed his appreciation to the technical experts for a meaningful assessment and support mission. He noted that the findings from the assessments will be treated with prime importance and will serve as a reference document for better census planning and execution. President Julius Maada Bio proclaimed the conduct of a decennial population and housing census on 9 September 2024. Away from there, at the launch of its 25th anniversary, Lakeside Business College at Wilberforce has welcomed 40 students into the 2024-25 academic year. Dean of Faculty of Management, Accounting and Finance, University of Sierra Leone, Dr. Ezekiel Duramani Calvin Lako, said as part of transformation efforts, the college will soon be turned into a state-of-the-art digital hub for equipping students with modern technological infrastructure. Here is the report. Do apologize for that. We'll ensure to bring you that story. The National Social Security and Insurance Trust, NASIT, has commemorated its 22nd annual Thanksgiving services under the theme Moving into the Informal Sector. The two-part event held at the Jamatul Imo Zakri Mosque on Friday Hill Station and St. Anthony's Parish, Service Street on Sunday, brought together staff, stakeholders, and well-wishers to celebrate the organization's achievements and pray for continued success. Jonathan Turner reports.
Those who began this institution, Lord, those who are not alive, we pray for the government where we start this institution, that you, O Lord, will put your blessing.
The ceremonies were held under the dynamic leadership of the Director General Mohamed Fuad Dabo, who emphasized NASIT's commitment to expanding its coverage to include the informal sector, which constitutes a significant portion of the nation's workforce. During his address, Director General Dabo outlined the institution's strategic goals for ensuring greater social security for informal workers, such as traders, artisans, and small-scale entrepreneurs who often lack access to retirement benefits and social protection.
You find out that most of my people, they lost the process, they lost the money. So come back now, it's very important. For a scheme where they can explain to us, that scheme will look and see how they will reach out. So that way, we don't decide this year, we will launch a scheme called the Informal Sector Scheme, where the theme of today's service will benefit the one in the informal sector.
At the Friday service in the mosques, prayers were offered for NASIT staff and the nation at large. At the same time, Islamic clerics delivered sermons underscoring the importance of social security as a cornerstone of the economic stability.
All the good plans we will get for the entire people of Sierra Leone, make Allah make let everything come fine for you all. Let Allah accept this prayer for you all. Let Allah guide and protect the leadership and make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make you want them all who are the tell what you are the tell them. Let Allah make like the listening to the listen in our ta'ala for you all.
Similarly, the Sunday service at the St. Anthony's Parish highlighted the spiritual significance of safeguarding the vulnerable and reflected on the role of faith in promoting social justice. Staff members, government officials, and representatives from the informal sector attended both events, praising NACIT's forward-thinking approach and reaffirming their support for its mission. The theme of this year's celebration reflects NACIT's efforts to ensuring inclusivity and economic empowerment for all Sierra Leoneans, as the trust continues to be a pillar of social protection. For SLBC News, Jonathan Turner reporting.
This is Weekend News reaching you live from the SLBC. Still ahead, the Bishop of the Anglican Diocese called on members of the Catholic faith to go out and preach the gospel. All of that coming up after the short commercial break.
Hello, we are NPSL Limited. Let us take you through the process of how to obtain the NP Energy Pass. First, come to NP headquarters and request for the card. Then, our sales attendants will take you through the process and direct you to the bank to make payment into the NP account. After making payment at the bank, please come to NP with the bank slip. You will be given a form to fill in some personal details. After filling the form, please leave it with our sales attendant who will complete the customer registration process and give you any further information you require. Also note that your card will be created later and you will receive an SMS notification for pickup. During pickup, please confirm from the sales attendant how to change your PIN code. Be guarded. Your PIN code is your personal identification number. Do not expose it. If you do, you may lose all the money in your account. And please note that NP Energy Pass Card can work both on and offline. Then thank you for choosing to use our NP Energy Pass Card services. Be assured of quality service because we put our customers first. For more on our customer care services, contact the following: 333-232-30900262 or 2323-0900-155 or email us on npsl@npgroup-ltd.com. Thank you for choosing NP.
Welcome back from the short commercial break. Here's still the news from the SLBC. Still ahead. In his Sunday sermon, Bishop of Anglican Diocese of Freetown and the North, Thomas Arnold Wilson, has called his congregation to go out and preach the word of God. The church also unveils and dedicates its east window during its Sunday service. Here's an highlight of the service.
Set your right hand towards the wheels as we now repeat there. In the name of the Blessed Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy that we dedicate to your brother. Your name, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Dear God, say amen. Because we can see in the path to restoration, Church of the Holy Trinity, first the structure, then the pulpit, then the altar, now the east window. We say to God in the glory, great things He has done, and greater things He will do in the name of Jesus Christ. Let me ask a question this morning. And those ask me after the service, what has happened to the revival services in the church? Almost every month we used to have revival services in the church. What has happened to the spiritual committee in the church? What has happened to the Bible study of Friday in the church? What has happened to the all night of prayer and half night of prayer in the church? These are some of the things I'm asking. Where have they gone to? Are we concerned? I was expecting if all the Philistines have come today, we forget an overflow. Look the church set today. Look the church set today. This church today, look at the church today. We pray that the Lord will help us. If we need to pray, let us pray. If we need to fast, let us fast. And let me tell you, you are not coming for Bishop. You are not coming for the vicar. You will the best left church. Now go to the best left. Come on God. Join the church. Join the committee to build a revival church. A strong church with power, with anointing, with unction, and with God's grace. For the busyness of life, for the business in the church, for the business in the family, for the business in the world, to the spiritual preparation for Christ's coming. Let me tell you, Christ is coming and is coming soon. Christ is coming and is coming soon. We need to be sober. We need to take God for very serious in heaven. It is by God's grace, by God's mercy, we are not consumed. It is by God's grace we are still alive and praying and worshiping God. And because we are still alive, let us do those things that will please God Almighty every day in Jesus' name.
That was Sunday Divine Service held by the Church of Holy Trinity to unveil and dedicate its east window. Now, Sierra Leone Brewery Limited has held a prestigious long service award ceremony which celebrated the commitment and loyalty of its staff. The event was organized to honor employees who have served the company with unwavering dedication over the years. Let's join Jonathan Turner for details.
The award recognized individual staff who have rendered their service to Sierra Leone Brewery Limited in the last 10, 15, 20, and 25 years. Nima Tusano, the sales and operations manager at SLBL, was among the notable awardees. She was recognized for her 15 years of service. Speaking on her achievements, Madam Sano expressed gratitude to the company for fostering an environment that values employees' contributions.
Well, it's passion for what the company believes in. The company believes in selling pleasure to people, and I'm also somebody that wants to see people happy, people enjoying, so that's why I've been here for 15 years to see that I be part of the company that is selling pleasure and enjoyment to people. Brewery is a company that motivates people to do several things. As I said, I've been in several capacity. So I look forward to other things, to higher roles, to promotions, and to more experiences.
Another awardee for the Dabo Corporate Affairs Manager shared similar sentiments about the recognition. He said SLBL has always prioritized creating a supportive workplace where they feel valued and catered for.
It's a determination. So I am somebody who likes his job or is passionate about his job. So each day I wake up, my family, I look at my family, where I come from and where I'm intending to go. I say to myself, I need to work and I need to work harder. That's what I've been doing. And I started as a junior person here as a sales executive, pushing push carts here to sell drinks to retailers. Now I am at the highest peak of my career here as the corporate affairs manager, the second Sierra Leonean in the management team.
Managing Director of SLBL praised the awardees for their steadfastness, describing them as the backbone of the company's success and sustainability. SLBL, a leader in Sierra Leone's brewing industry, continues to invest in its workforce through capacity building, incentives, and recognition programs. The Long Service Awards ceremony, a key event in its corporate calendar, underscores the company's commitment to rewarding hard work and fostering a culture of appreciation. For SLBC News, Jonathan Turner reporting.
This is Weekend News getting you live from the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television on channel 31. You can also catch us live on Facebook at Slbc Tv Live. The news continues. A team from the Human Capital Development Africa Plus, led by the former Vice President of ECOWAS Commission, Finda Koroma, has met with educators and local authorities in the Eastern region. Their discussion was centered on mapping out strategies to close the gaps in achieving human capital development in Sierra Leone. From Kono, Dauda Kamara sent in this report, read by Moses Conte in a studio.
Nutritionists don't say, when pikin eat fine, na im brain go develop well and it will grow well.
The regional advocacy meeting was to discuss key issues around human capital development and provide workable solutions to address the gaps. Chairman, Council of Chiefs, Eastern Region, PC Mando Fali, Kelly Komba said they have a critical role to play as local authorities to enhance human capital development. He lauded Madam Finda Koroma for creating the space to seek and mobilize resources to address human capital development gaps in the region. Executive Officer, Human Capital Development Africa Plus, Finda Koroma, said the government has made tremendous strides on human capital development as key entry point of President Bio's agenda. She spoke about health and health security, education, skills and job, entrepreneurship, financial inclusion, and digital economy, which are the driving force of human capital development. Madam Finda Koroma informed participants across the Eastern region that Sierra Leone has made gender equality threshold at primary and secondary schools, and other ECOWAS states are still struggling to achieve that. She pointed out that the universities are still struggling to navigate through that challenge.
Is that the government of His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio put human capital as the main important thing for a competition as a head of state. As soon as see, in human capital, what's human capital? They say health and health security, education, skills and jobs, then entrepreneurship, financial inclusion, and digital economy. What that simply means is that woman they not for die when they born Pekin. Pekin not for die at a young age.
Madam Finda Koroma called for cooperation as ECOWAS is ready to support and overcome challenges on human capital development. Presidential Advisor on Human Capital Development, Dr. Alpha Wuri, catalogued the strides President Bio has made on Human Capital Development Fund. He said the country will start producing specialists on health issues to address gaps in the health sector. Dr. Wui said using paramount chiefs in such discussion was important as paramount chiefs are strategic in development and solving governance issues. He applauded the CEO for her effort in complementing government on human capital development.
I told you, say this country will not begin train specialists in Sierra Leone, gynecologists, pediatrician, will not begin train surgeon. Every district gets a secondary hospital. Now the chief then therefore make strong advocacy for a short say the one way they graduate can work in a union district. Because from next year, or from this year, 2025, we dey begin get specialists dem wey we train inside this country wey very good. Well, government no say bio for gladly for am. E say now we dey start foundation learning outside. You get money you no get money foundation learning. But now you get for try for creative space. Now Madam Fina may dey talk about. Whatever space you get, one classroom in a primary school, a community center, you have to get the space for make you start foundation learning. Whether pikin don in comprehension don good between age 2 and 5, I tell you, it is a big bokuti.
Government ministers use this platform to talk about gains in the Big Five game changers. Declined the session open, the Deputy Minister of Planning and Economic Development, Reverend Dr. Jonathan Titus Williams, reflected on the just concluded medium-term National Development Plan 2024 to 2030.
To collectively reflect on the gains made so far, especially at the human capital development front. The Ministry of Planning and Economic Development is currently compiling a comprehensive 2024 progress report on the first year of implementation of the medium-term National Development Plan, and we acknowledge that there are a number of challenges to be addressed, the lack of adequate and reliable data being one of them.
Discussion on key topics by government ministers and experts on key thematic areas and action points developed by stakeholders climaxed the 2 days engagement.
Well, from diplomacy now on national identification matters. The National Civil Registration Authority has met with various stakeholders to develop a new strategic plan, which will span from 2025 to 2030. It was said during the engagements that NCRA could not achieve 60% of its thematic areas, goals and objectives in the last plan. Moses Conte witnessed the session at the Ministry of Finance conference room on George Street in Freetown.
Sierra Leone is among countries in Africa which have integrated the civil registration vital statistics into a single system. The current Civil Registration Vital Statistics and ID Management Strategic Plan elapses in August 2024. Therefore, this session with NCRA and its partners was to capture relevant steps for the prioritization of actions for the new strategic plan. Director General, National Civil Registration Authority, Mohamed Massakoy, said the new document will provide solutions for problems unsolved in the last strategic plan. He said it will focus on educating citizens on the importance of civil registration, raise awareness on the activities of NCRA, and forge collaboration with other government institutions and development partners.
And one way to make sure that you are aligned with international best practices is to make sure you have documented activities that is generally done and agreed on by all stakeholders or duty bearers involved either in data harvesting or data storage on data use. That is why we got many of you here around this table to be part of this process, to let you know that what we did in the last 5 years, 2019 to 2024, is ended. And we are in the process of...
Mr. Massakoy pledged to work very hard to achieve things the institution could not achieve in the previous plan. The National Civil Registration Authority is responsible for civil registration and the generation of dissemination of vital statistics from civil registration as mandated by the National Civil Registration Act of 2016, Section 14A and 26(1). Moses Conte reports for SLBC.
To education now. At the launch of its 25th anniversary, Lakeside Business College at Wilberforce has welcomed 40 students into its 2024-2025 academic year. Dean of Faculty of Management, Accounting and Finance, University of Sierra Leone, Dr. Ezekiel Duamani Calvin Lako, said as part of transformation efforts, the college will soon be turned into a state-of-the-art digital hub for equipping students with modern technology infrastructure. Here's the reports.
Christiana P. Kamara.
The signing of the register as an official process marking the entry of students who have gained requirements to be admitted into the Lixal Business College to pursue various courses. According to the acting registrar, Randolph Wilson, the matriculation ceremony, which coincided with the silver jubilee of the college since it was founded in the year 2000, was not only a significant milestone for the new students, but for the institution. He noted that over the years, Lixal Business College has strived to meet modern academic, business, and technological trends through a number of diploma and degree courses that meet the demand of the job market.
This undertaking is to align with the needs of the job market and to meet national standards as set by the Tertiary Education Commission and of course the National Council for Technical, Vocational and other academic awards. Let me at this juncture congratulate you.
The Dean, Faculty of Management, Accounting and Finance, University of Sierra Leone, Dr. Ezekiel Duramani Lako, said as part of its transformation drive, the college will soon be turned into a state-of-the-art digital hub for equipping students with modern technology infrastructure and other developmental undertakings in the not-too-distant future.
Your certificates that you graduate with, especially the set of people that are coming, you are going to get the same certificate as students with University of Sierra Leone and signed by the Vice Chancellor and Principal. Partnership that we said they're going to open a digital hub here where some of you guys will start doing your internship.
Other speakers, including Director from the Ministry of Technical and Higher Education, spoke about the pivotal role the institution has played in the development of the country's human resource for a quarter of a century. The institution, as one of the oldest community colleges known for grooming young minds in higher and professional courses for the pursuit of academic accomplishments, is an affiliate of the University of Sierra Leone under the direct supervision of the Institute of Public Administration and Management. The matriculation ceremony was climaxed with the inauguration of its student union body, headed by Patrick Cisse and his deputy, Septisha Roy Thompson. SLBC, Dennis Fraser reporting. Now, Orange Mobile Company has been slammed with a $1 million fine as a result of its persistent poor network quality. The country's ICT regulator, the National Telecommunications Authority, or NATCA, stated that despite numerous engagements with the company and assurances to improve its network quality, there is still a significant gap in meeting satisfactory service standards across the country. NATCA stated that it has also given further directives to Orange Sierra Leone to implement the necessary network enhancements before the end of February or face further penalties. Well, away from there, we now take a pause on our main news items within the bulletin and going for segments, beginning with our business updates.
Hello and welcome to Business Update, the segment that brings you updates in business and its contribution towards positively impacting the economy. I am Emmanuel Samora. Today we shall be looking at Credit Union Growth and Sustainability program by the Irish Aid and its partners. Further strengthening the financial empowerment drive of the nation through credit union movements, Irish Aid in partnership with the Irish League of Credit Union Foundation has unveiled a new program worth over €2 million. The new program, titled Credit Union Growth and Sustainability, aims to empower the Apex Credit Union Board in Sierra Leone, which is NACWA, to operate without any external aid in growing the credit union movement in the country. Here is the report. Financial inequality and exclusion were seen to be key agents that increased the rate of poverty in the country. The reason in 2014 the Irish government embarked on reviving the credit union movement in Sierra Leone. After several years of financial and other technical support to the National Cooperative Credit Union Association that has witnessed exponential growth in resources and membership, the Irish people have thought it fit to make credit union growth their own. Credit Union Growth and Sustainability, which is the name for the new program, is to empower the apex credit union body NACWA to take up the responsibility to promote and make credit union movement self-sustainable, thereby bridging the financial inequality and inclusion gap in the country.
What needs to happen through this program is that NACWA need to take on the mandate, take on the full role of an apex body and provide all the services that the credit unions want and need to support their development in the longer term.
And our growth to date has kind of been in the thousands. We need now very quickly to move to growth in the regions of tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and then into the millions. And I think it can be done. I think it really needs to be done for this country, in this country.
Chairman of the National Cooperative Credit Union Association, Lamin Kamara, was thrilled and expressed commitment to increasing the credit union movement and make it more self-sustainable.
The new project label, Credit Union Growth and Sustainability, represents more than just an initiative. It's a bold step towards consolidating the work we have done so far as a movement, ranging from establishing and growing the credit union movement as a model for financial inclusion in Sierra Leone, especially for the financially excluded population.
Kingston Eugene Miller, who is a representative from the Bank of Sierra Leone, recognized the significance of the new program to the financial empowerment drive of the nation and gave the bank's commitment to creating an environment that will enable credit unions to grow and thrive.
We aim to foster a nurturing environment where credit unions can flourish while safeguarding the integrity of the financial sector. Our collaborative approach ensures that we maintain a balance between growth, stability, and sustainability.
The Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry, Fatmata Kagbo, was moved by the program's objectives, which she said aligns with the government's financial inclusion drive.
In 2028, this will be a check mark for His Excellency the Third Brigadier Dr. Julius Madabio in terms of financial inclusion, in terms of the number of credit unions that we're going to have within Sierra Leone.
Credit Union Growth and Sustainability Program is a 5-year program worth over €2 million that will be solely funded by the Irish people to grow and make credit unions safe and also build the capacity of the apex body NACWA. Emmanuel Samura, SLBC. Well, that's all we have in this edition of Business Updates. I am Emmanuel Samura.
Many thanks to Emmanuel Samura for bringing us the business update. Penultimately, on Weekend News, we now take our entertainment news.
Hello and welcome to Entertainment News with me, Esther Suzanette Bassi. In this edition, Western Area Rural District Filmmakers is set to premiere movie titled Kenema. And CNN confirms 5 Hollywood stars affected by the Los Angeles wildfire. Stay with us. Now, Western Area Rural District Filmmakers Union is set to premiere its first union movie in February this year. This movie, according to the union president, Ibrahim Robinson, depicts a Sierra Leonean setting and culture.
Called Kenema, it's a borrowed word from our local tribes here, Mende, when it means for tomorrow, the future, the hope. You just categorize the way you want to. And the storyline is about it's a test of power when someone would just want to
see like there is no law. He or she can do whatever thing he or she feels like, but there are particular people or a person who knows the custom and tradition of the land and said no to that.
He said the fiction movie was to transform lives, change the narrative of filming, and showcase touristic locations.
Telling them we have locations here that are more exposed to tourism, and as well we have talented actors in that part of the country, and we just want to change the narrative of filming in this country.
Robinson commended the actors for their dedication and contribution despite the challenges faced. He called on Sierra Leoneans to accept the movie and support them.
Our expectation as a union is the acceptance. For them to accept this particular project, that it is theirs.
People of Kenema, they don't tell the way to this day. Now the day is so all for gladdy. Eat, drink, dance and let whistle.
I know we all can't wait to watch this amazing and interesting movie, Kenema. Well, away from that, it has been confirmed by CNN that the wildfire that broke out in Los Angeles affected numerous entertainers in the Hollywood community. Among the many were Hollywood Billy Crystal, Mandy Moore, actor Jeff Bridges, actress and podcaster Anna Faris, and American television host and actress Ricky Lake. These Hollywood gems lost their homes and properties to the unfortunate incident. Oh, what a sad experience. In an interview with CNN, one of the stars, Crystal, said he had lived with his family in their home since 1979. Though heartbroken, the star expressed hope to pass through it, especially with love shared from his family. The family beach home belonging to Oscar-winning actor Jeff Bridges was also destroyed by fire. Actor and former talk show host Ricky Lake shared on her Instagram page on Wednesday that she had lost her dream home in the fire, writing, "It's all gone." This is a sad experience for our entertainers. And now finally, to an exciting entertainment news. Sierra Leone's new school star, Mr. Are You Ready Now? Okay, let's go. Disciplinary has dished out another song, Wits and See. The song is making waves on all social media handles. As always, the lines and lyrics of his songs are You can now go to his social media handles and feel the song Wait and See. Along with Wait and See, there are videos of Disciplinary and Therapist shooting the video clip of their collaboration song Lemonade. Are you ready for it?
Renovate on the tree, on the game, with the meat, lemonade.
It's going to be another banger in 2025. But that's all we have for this edition in entertainment news. I have been your presenter, Esther Suzanette Bassi. Bye-bye.
And gratitude indeed to our trailblazing entertainment presenter, Esther Suzanette Bassi, for today's entertainment update. Up next is Sports Update.
Welcome to Sports Updates on SLBC. I'm Abdul Kabir, and thank you so much for joining us. In today's show, we are looking at the chances of Sierra Leone's female U17 female team. The Sierra Leone national under-17 women's team secured a 2-0 victory over the Central African Republic at the Japoma Stadium in Cameroon and advancing to the next stage of the FIFA under-17 Women's World Cup qualifiers. Following the win, Ajara Matulai Kamara, head of women's football at the Sierra Leone Football Association, expressed immense joy and pride, hailing the team's performance, saying that the team made an impressive achievement for winning against Central African Republic.
Me family in a salon, una good evening or good afternoon, you know, overjoy. And I know say this is the first in history for under 17. Alhamdulillah, we tell the Almighty Allah thank you. We make everything for we possible. Today we don't come make up 2-0. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. We are waiting for the president. We are going for the president and make sure that you take care of us. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sierra Leoneans. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. I don't know how to say anyway. I'm just excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Looking ahead, the Sierra Leone U17 women's team will face Guinea in the next round.
Very much excited. As I say, we choose them for BWK. We make sure we work very hard. We don't tap here. We make sure we will make history for Sierra Leone. We make sure the 7,000 people that will left there, we make them proud, inshallah.
With the team remaining in high spirit after this crucial win, the squad celebrated the milestone, marking an historic moment for the nation in women's football. Lovers in Freetown. The Freetown Classic event was an excellent event that attracted a good number of cycling lovers in Freetown and beyond. Well, the event was indeed a delight. The 2024 Freetown Classic event proved to be a resounding success for both participants and organizers. Starting from the historic Conte Tree, the race attracted a competitive field of cyclists, all eager to claim the top prize. Riders navigated major streets across Freetown, with the atmosphere electric as they raced towards the finish line. The event reached its thrilling climax at the Family Kingdom's front view, where fans cheered on the athletes. With the 2024 edition now in the books, organizers are already looking ahead to 2025, aiming to make the event even bigger and better. They hope to further elevate cycling development in the country and building on the momentum of this year's success. Now to football. Manchester United defeated Southampton 3-1 and Hamad Diallo scored a hat-trick for Manchester United. The African star is becoming a name to reckon with. He is among the top performers in the English Premier League at present. Hamad Diallo is an excellent African star to watch in the English Premier League. Hamad Diallo was the star of the show as he scored a stunning hat-trick to secure a 3-1 win for his team Manchester United against Southampton. The Ivorian's forward clinical finish proved to be the difference as he single-handedly advanced his side to the victory in a thrilling match. Diallo opened the scoring with a well-taken strike before adding 2 more goals to complete his hat-trick and showcasing his clinical edge in front of goal. Southampton managed to pull one back, but it was not enough to halt Diallo's momentum, and the match ended with a deserved 3-1 win. With this sensational performance, Diallo has firmly announced himself as one of the standout players of the season, and his hat-trick will be remembered as one of the best individual performances of the campaign. And that's your sport. Thank you so much for watching.
Many thanks to Abdul Kabir for sports update. Well, from sport as I've been news are to a close. But before that, a recap of your headlines. The Sierra Leone police has said it had opened investigation into the brutal killing of former brigadier journalist Samuel Bryant Matia. Support officer Waterloo Police Division Superintendent Thomas Robin Mansari said they have arrested 4 people, including station manager for Vopa Brigadier Joseph Lamin. The National Telecommunication Authority has announced that it has slammed a $1 million fine on Orange Mobile Company as a result of its persistent poor network quality. And as Sierra Leone gears up for a second census in 5 years, a 7-man delegation of technical experts from the United Nations and United States has completed a 5-day technical assessment statistics Sierra Leone preparedness to conduct the 2025 digital census. And that safely brings us to the end of weekend news for tonight. Many thanks for watching, and as always, thanks indeed for the pleasure of your company. Also sit tight for your Love Enlightenment show, Love Factor, as it comes up immediately after the news. Until then, I'm Tennis Fraser. Keep having a fine time with your public service broadcaster, the authentic voice of Sierra Leone, and of course, your trusted news source. Cheers. Good night.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever.
Those who came, those who stayed, those who never returned. Tides turn, seasons change. We've waited and we've watched. But we've always been here. We've always listened. Because there is a different resonance here. It comes from the river, and the land, and the sky.
It's our place. All of us.
This city belongs to everyone.
And you know when it's your time.
And it's our time.
Listen, we are Freetown.
The golden rules of Freetown.
Don't pretend you're something that you're not.
Don't go thinking you're better than anyone else.
Or that anyone else is better than you.
Don't shout about it. Get on with it.
We are Freetown.
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 Yeah.
We found our voice again.
I'm from India and Freetown.
I'm from China and Freetown.
I'm from the UK and Freetown.
I am from Nigeria and Freetown.
I am from home and Freetown.
This city belongs to everyone.
The fishermen,
the taxi driver,
the barber,
the drummers, the dancers.
All of us.
All of us. Everybody. We are Freetown.
The past is ours. The future is ours. It's our time again.
And this city belongs to everyone.
The playwright, the greengrocer,
the teacher,
the dog.
This space is ours.
This light is ours.
The beaches are ours. The rivers now we own.
Life no go ever sweet without that thing what we call love. Now that make
No fact na a very good program. Where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program it me I don't learn from and I wonder you say life.
The Love Factor show is about family, love, counseling,
relationship. So we build and maintain relationship. This is a program. So we counsel you, for let you know how for them with your partner, let you know how for settle disputes between you and your heart to heart.
Well, you don't hear it for yourself. Join the Love Factor team
every Sunday, 10 p.m.
for help make we all enjoy love and peace.
Factor Mina Diana Duachi alongside
Bamidele Bailey, Captain Bibi. Good evening and welcome to another edition of Love Factor and SLBC Television Live.
Well, family, we always say when I say love factor, not for picking. Then we not go ever tire for the telling and say love factor not for picking, love factor not for adults who do 18 years and above. So if you get picking when you watch the program, please tell you picking let go to bed or let you go all in book or go do something or come on here the television, because today now one very sensitive topic for today on a very sensitive topic we can talk about, and Mr. Babi will explain to me better, but the topic will also get somebody they can go much better one in a speciality down there where it go go much, and today on program we dedicate to the woman them. The man they can call be part of the program, but today now for the woman them, and next week now for the man in the same topic, but next week now they deal with the man they inside. But today now for the woman them, but the man then the lines are open for you guys to be part of the program. Mr. Babe, over to you. Waiting at the topic for today.
Yeah, again, family, good evening and welcome to Love Factor. Everything we get for this week, it come, but we want for Kongosa. Me, you know, say me quick now for Kongosa. Valentine Day near the corner. Valentine Day near the corner. Valentine Day near the corner. If you know say you deal with your partner on they make chamot on try make peace one thing. Because we they come with some goodies where okay. Like Diana say, if you are under 18, go in a room, go lay down, get ready for go school. The reason being why we can do this now for advice we say for we not change or well we picking them future. We don't observe say some parents then they encourage parents then they encourage them picking them for can sit down and listen or take part in this program where we did do. It is purely for adults and an adult show. Therefore, this year, where we don't come, we don't promise and say we bring goodies for now. And these goodies where they come with today, now goodies where they make. If they make pass make how we want for make. You know, say, beaucoup in the way they pull maridos. But something in the way we can shy for talk from. But today, we don't ready say, now that's where they talk about. Beaucoup people in the divorce inside married because we not get idea. The reason we make we say we come together as man and wife, we not one for talk about and plenty time. But today we don't get an expert where they can tell we how we for able as husband and wife, how we for able for understand and handle waiting we they call bedmatics. Bedmatics. You know what that mean, eh? Bedmatics. We want for know how we for able for handle we self as husband and wife when we dey together. Now that one day, now in don't make like today. Beaucoup also then happiness no day. Beaucoup couples don't go then separate ways because of bedmatics. But for today, like how Diana say, that the woman side we dey concentrate on. Next week, we go concentrate on the man side. Bedmatics, how woman for take care of a man. Bedmatics. Good evening. This is Love Factor.
Yes, from below, I agree with Mr. Mami don't say. Mr. Mami don't say everything. You don't tell on all thing which way they can talk about. For me, the woman side, most of the time, some time ago, we get this topic. But because people are still there, I say don't tell not talk about this, so not and one or two other people and they talk say issues then they concerning that. So then I make we decide for cover this topic. A lot of ladies, them we women, when they get issues already with someone and they go on street. Somehow you don't marry if you say you don't reach in final destination. You don't know say you get forgive that married day, that marriage life, you not to the day where you married, you don't know say the marriage life not till you get for spice up. You just like when you cook soup. You get if you not get a good fish or get the right fish or get the right season, get the right Maggi for let it sweet. Tell people say, you should be cook. That the same thing with homes that with man them. If you not sabi put the things then together, the nyanyam for make this thing okay.
Ingredient for soup.
Yes. lines for let the soup, get in flavor, get right taste. In the work. So we go straight to the program. The lines are for call 9 at the screen, so all to the lines them. Mr. Mami, wait the one line.
The one line is 088-000-776. Then the other line are
031-610-122.
Beautiful.
Now go straight to the point. Inside the program today, we get what woman we don't can't ready. If you don't can work much better one panistin. But some man go don't forget her and today don't come back. Because you ready for with the woman them. Today not for the woman them. Because like you say all time, me they talk for the woman, me they talk for the woman, and today the program now for with the woman them. We need for tell we self the truth. Even Mrs. Seven Sidonaya need for know the truth. We all need for know the truth. Probably you're getting married, you're not married yet, or you don't begin get issues. Because that's where you start boyfriend if you for continue married also. Okay, one change. So not the way you don't marry now means you don't get the money for change. So there are so many things, especially when it comes to bedmatics.
And you for improve, not to change. You
my man, because I don't take it for putting your name, the cooking. Every day you go for the do research for for develop for make and spicy. Because the other
before
one
we introduce we get safe. Sometimes let we just see how we can able for say not to say bedmatics, now how we for take care of ourselves, husband and wife na room.
What do you make they tell people and the right thing? What do you mean by take care of yourself?
Well, because I know to understand the bedmatics that I make something and then they are going to ask we guest first. That's how they take introduce them for kind side. Waiting at bedmatics. Family.
Inside room, bedmatics.
We expert. Not to the experts. Pass all manner that's gone to you. Now we're able to reach. Now you're ready for country. And tonight we happy for introduce we guest to Una. We guest now no other person but Mrs. Lahai, Wani Lahai. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor.
Good evening and thank you for having me today for can talk about bedmatic.
Bedmatics. Yes. Straight to you, Vetina bedmatics.
You see, bedmatic.
Yes.
Now way, not like what you been explained just now say, not to the bed no more.
Okay.
There are so many things involved, right? The woman itself, the environment itself, the mental model, all couple up to make inside that room the bedmatic work proper one.
Okay.
Yes. Because like we been listen to now, they talk about how Boku marriage for sustainer. Some man they married today, 1 week they say they don't part. Right? Say my girlfriend don't take care of me. No. You know go see me, I know go see it be because like they do research, you do the practical, you apply what you know and for make sure say everything work. Because you study man both psychologically, physically, emotionally, for let things work. So bedmatic now waiting all you get for do for make sure say you encourage you couple for stay put and then you no go other side for let the marriage or the relationship sweeter and strengthen and improve.
Always.
Always.
This na both side, man and woman.
Man and woman.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So the bedmatic can lead if you're not married, they go some mark in the teeth, so they go lead to marriage.
Okay.
Yes. I play the game, that's why they score. Right? And we score, they win. So it will lead to the marriage, the way marriage back is sustain her and improve her so that man the man and woman now will stay put and enjoy a love relationship. Because the Almighty God say, be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth. You will come for multiply and now you will multiply. Now forget sex.
Good sex.
Don't come to the real world sex. Man and woman. Not to man and man, no. Not to woman and woman, no.
Man and woman.
Now man and woman. Because when God created the world, He make man first. Then out of the side, He make woman. So there's nothing at the garden now. Then say, because for replenish the earth. And I will replenish the earth. You want to make sure say, when I meet, now couple up, now multiply, and things will go right. So that as the other generation they come, the one in the extent, there is more to come for replenish the heart.
Okay. Now we don't understand waiting at mathematics. Straight to the point. I want to ask as a woman, because like as I say, today na the woman side with the look.
Yes.
I believe say for you get a successful sex relationship with your man, you get for learn for take care of yourself first. Because the sooner you not take care of yourself, the sooner you begin get some older, you begin develop certain sin, a lot of things involved around that side. You turn the man off from time to time. And even for your health, safe, you know, woman for always be clean, especially when it comes to that area. Now, let me talk. What a woman for do for to himself before ever prepare himself for this bedmatics, for you man in a room, for satisfy you man, for make you man enjoy. We go for come to that side for the satisfaction. But some of the things and preparing yourself as a woman, like I say, mentally, you know, physically, emotionally and all. What a woman for do for prepare himself? What are some of the things that we for go through for prepare yourself for this bedmatics thing?
Thank you very much. What you first you for do? You prepare your mind. Say the man make plabao. Make plabao. Today, what ready for you? What do you do? She don't set the mind already. Say today, I let the man come with the station. Say, you know the work, right? So and before you come, the room itself, like I don't talk about the environment. It will be clean, right? Because cleanliness is next to godliness. If you forget fine bed, you make the bed, clean bed, everything set inside the room. Then it can't to do myself because as I don't say emotionally environment, the environment itself. Because woman every day you for wise 3 times a day, more like don't sayanda.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. What they call things by their name there.
No, the woman side, you for always clean. And 3 times a day for make sure say like when we wear pants, you know say that when they hit it can pull odor. So make sure say if we wear cotton pants more and the advice woman they use cotton pants because you go able to absorb the heat and the odor. And the first thing and then change your pants 3 times a day. That's not the first thing and then before you man come, if you don't go work, you now okay to go work. Forget yourself prepared for the bedmatic itself, right? Hey, interesting.
And I World Cup.
Yes. Because now they can't play World Cup. Yeah. Premiership, right? Yeah. You go for first of all, take a warm shower. All those areas we know say like you underarm, you go for cleaner. You ace, you go for cleaner. You must because you go for talk to the man directly, right? Because if he can't hear you, if you must the smell, don't put her off completely. So you make sure say you brush your teeth, you tongue it clean and fine. So to let that fine odor come out inside your mouth, they go down to the woman's side underneath, right? You wash them fine. You clean yourself. The way you don't clean yourself down, then you take that roll on. They get fine smell like that fluorescent. Put on the for you know perspire, right? Because to all hosts then they get air condition or fan, then they you understand it. So but if you did an environment to say no say they eat get for the you roll on, you spray, right? You get set for the premiership we go for can take place. Yeah. So when the man the can host, the first thing go always come out with now a smile, a big smile. So then we don't go walk, you can't don't disturb and they then it can't vex one. But he said today this game with the player. So we can welcome in a very nice way. You leave I get a 3 L work left for use. You live, you love and you laugh. Because laugh they put the man on. Because you see that smiling face there, you will say yes, I've got a loving wife. I like your wife if you laugh no more, that's small laugh no more, it will make you beautiful, right? So we can welcome her home, you hug her, you pick her, darling, I love you. Then we say, you know, ask yourself, you must answer. Then you don't get your food prepared, then you take it back, put her down. They say, darling, can you take a shower, please? Then they lead her to the shower, take a warm bath, They say I don't prepare food for you.
Who will not get shower now? Now bucket with the bucket. Who they bail you water? Who say now?
Anyone who wants that bail only take a shower. When you say because from the day's work, instead go don't sweat, instead let feel fresh, so that everybody will look strong and
go put in water.
Yes. They even wash her for crubbing back self. They say, "Can make you yapu?" Yes. You massage her small. They say, "Can go take you eat now?" When I go sit on the table, prepare it. They eat when they chat, then and they. So get ready for the bedmatic. Because all in our body language say today are ready for you.
Okay.
Response standing. No one talk say I need you today for so. But they don't show say this woman they're ready for this one. So if you like self, it was this woman love me. So it's self in mind go they don't play romantically. You don't prepare a man say this woman here so he need me today. So you don't do now. Then I can go to the bed now. When I can go watch film for so. When I get television, like go get television. If you get television, you can put on a movie, right? A nice movie where we go turn the man on, right? You will see all the things then. Thereafter, you can take off your shirts. Don't do the bedmatic.
Okay.
I know I'm going to detail all the.
No, we're not the
integrities. You pull it close. Pull it close. Make yourself comfortable in the bed. The man say, it's not you don't dress though. They make like say you want friend something. Like make something or something for them. You go to so we see that side there. They come on.
Experience.
Now but just put the man on and say, yes, I'm ready for you. Just put to that bad butu. Then a nice butu, not a bad one. Now nice butu. So we see they say, hi. So it will come on. They will say, darling, come on. Let's have a chat.
Yes. You don't talk all dandy now. We don't understand that side. But I wonder we talk to we company them. Then one that we feel say like for most of the one that we can don't marry to can feel say, me I don't ask I don't get to keep picking me. I don't see all thing. I don't do all thing. You know, you get women we get that woman we get that kind of mentality. They say I don't taste what you never don't do, you know, forgetting say your sex life in your marriage you get for like we say you get for the spice up all the time, not to just the same thing just like say bo all thing I bread you they give me I don't want bread you don't take flour, give me something different, or you know make spaghetti for me, make one pot for me, make jollof for me, make couscous for me, make salad for me. It's like that is that now so your sex life for talent. Okay, now what you go tell that woman then we can feel say, no go can scatter because some things in the way some woman they say, I need put more for man, I need put more for my man not for put more for me. Some woman they use religion for limiting husband. Yes, so that alone can cause problem. It cause serious because woman say like one time we get a call we always say it say in West say na born again. It say when we want to do this, is do man say no.
We want oral sex.
Yes, anything we want to do na oral sex. Do man they say no. Na just it say missionary style. Na so do man they don't know. You don't grab waiting self. You know they do nothing. Though if instead do man do something to her, the woman not agree. So like the man don't go. He don't really frustrate the man. The man don't vex. Now how for what we go tell then kind of woman then they or woman we get that thinking they say no this not to him because someone are just religion and tradition or culture they make they know they do them thing and they unbog their marriages them. What we go tell long man in there?
This is a sad story because they make you and the man follow and make love, right? And like we say, we not the one position for make love, right?
Don't begin get political.
No.
Okay.
Because like we say missionary position. They don't tap me no, because then they make the man gonna treat, right? And we see like we looking at the Bible, Solomon married how many wives? Because to take a one position no more, they use that 69 that missionary position, right? But the advice to all the ladies out there, when you marry, that not mean saying na one position all tell to the man for camp and tap you. No way. You will get over 101 style stem where go make the man. If you go to street self, as you remember your name so no more quick, you don't come back, right? We get that like way. Yes, oral sex. You did well because that.
He talked to laugh first. He enjoyed the topic. No, they go yeah. In the phone, they boss people and they call.
Yes.
But when you talk this one, go open the phone lines. Yeah.
Because first of all, you can take her from the back, right? You get up to 2 position.
Yeah.
That's they call doggy.
That is it, right?
Doggy style.
Yes, doggy style. Because they penetrate deeper, and when the man reach inside the vagina, right? Where it touch the cervix, the head of the cervix, it they make. They talk German, if not a German self.
In language they change.
The language they change.
Okay.
So that's if you get if you record after that, they will make fun self, they laugh and say, who's party rich now? Germany.
Well, yeah.
All right.
You just call that position.
Take a quick. No, just a big deal. No, miss this caller.
Okay.
Hello, good evening. Yes, good evening.
How do you evening?
Tell God, thank you. I wish you the same.
Well, me, what you are try for talk. When you don't marry, need no delay on shame before you man. When you want for make for go ma for key. Tell and say honey, but today go ma for key no. When say one for learn a go na matutuka, you dey go matutuka with her. And you enjoy yourself. Then, if you ready, una make a 69. Well, one day down, one day up. Una sucking herself fine. Oh, that can enjoy herself. If you see sometimes because they enjoy that with sister say, where you butu, sometimes the money has to go. Sometimes they butu the money attention or go they no one knows say. So come at home, not about to go work grease or butu like you go take something, no. If you say I begin go play with the bar, they rub bam. If not the other thing can give you much, you so can good. We don't suck you on the problem, Bryant self can vex. The next minute, I forgot my pocket you know.
Yeah. I agree with you 100%, yeah.
Alright, okay.
I say I agree with you 100%.
Then agree with you self the talk where you talk. So we sister them, oh me sister. If then they on their menstruation and pass near you, then set it wrong pass and good. You yes, if you clean, you know. If you clean, you must. Because all they go for pass you talk for stimulator. Because some man a diamond, they don't understand. Now they play with a leg count. So as you see begin you begin and then play then they but I don't think so. Sorry. The next thing for it.
Okay.
But that's my missing.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much, Gola. Thank you very much. Yes, we don't hear what you don't say. Because what did he say so? I be one ask the question, say, what if when you talk say like for Butu, that that fine Butu, what if the money at one, the money make like you know want? How for call them home? Because like I talk some money they by me, you they Butu, like you Butu, they make like see yourself like one for you. So what do we think? What as women?
No, now signal no more. Now signal say we they come to something. Now signal for say I'm coming.
No, if he ignore you, like I
don't ignore you, that's it. You play with her. Like wait, they so I want cat to down the all. We can. Mr. I call a man. He just force them. They just fling it so the rubber. I get the one I can call him about cut neck. That cut neck that did the rub there you handle first so that you go vex the snapper. You make it like where conduct this make so. That turning up. It will come on, fine one. I like how responsive. He must respond.
Okay.
Let me say it again, yeah. Take you.
Okay. Well, family, we come to una now and we take una calls them. Good evening, caller. Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Very well, thank you. We are here because of you. So waiting you want for contribute. Yeah, thank you.
It's a long-time friend.
Okay.
One thing I want to talk about was about the upkeep of female.
Okay. Yeah.
Most of we kill for use like they're feminine for clean up. And all them things and they add up for let you vagina get the odor. The Time to time, they clean for instance.
Okay.
And the only thing we need for let you do and clean up, now plain water, clean water.
Okay.
That's okay. Then we like women, some of we get strong smell.
Okay.
We can normally tell me confidence they will learn to see in yourself.
Okay.
Simple thing by line. You don't say you just sweat over the weekend when you didn't have they do you do it. Just take one limb, cut and rubber under your hand, back of your head, on your thigh. You let them there for some time, go pressure. When you do that, like the first day, when you go out, even if you not use deodorant,
okay,
it's different.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And we for learn for entice women then.
Okay.
Most times woman that is so wants the man, all kinds of sex positions. I don't think sex is something we will not get for plan. Where there is love, sex is always a plan. When I meet up in the kitchen, picking the notice, when I touch, the sex they come from touching.
Yeah.
I don't need for calling the game make up your mind say today we can have this thing.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
When you normally you don't use for a short thing, where you man can, you know, so that lady turn her on. Or not married, not begin to rest something like that. Yeah, more than maybe come on and eat camp salon.
Ah, okay.
No. Begin with the same short thing the way they make the man they watch now see. And you don't already know what they conscious which position you man like. What thing they turn you man on. Then when I don't marry now, the man don't tell you say, okay, give me the vast cowgirl style. Then we say, don't come begin to tell me say laptop. Because you don't come up to you, guys, and they like it. No. Exactly. That's why they're not a turn off for the man. The man don't listen and sleep. No man know the even you hear ear acting. You fuck him in the ear. When he wants to cheat, he cheats.
Yeah.
But when he loves you, he protects his cheating habit.
Yeah.
You don't know at all. All men are cheaters. Because even when it is like you see that woman with some kind of side legging, it is thief watch.
Okay.
And in the beginning, it's just different. Okay. So like, we the woman that we get a whole lot of roles for play. If you man then a sleep for come with her back home. So most of the married women, they need for go back to the drawing board. They need for do their assignment. Or else the beginning when they come, you know, with the right no more attract the man. They know I'm on you. If not fuck somebody, they give you man good wife. And that's the way you they pray for give you man. When they begin get an assist, you don't shit.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's why we are here for this program, where we try to educate. Yeah.
You have to do another work at all.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much, caller. Thank you for taking part. It's like you did a lecture for us. You know, the way you talk and explain, you enlighten me. Because the reason why you're here, really, you know, and for that we know how we can able for use bedmatics for improve the relationship, the marriages, them. Because you tell me about we get over 100 styles. Now, already we do use now 2-3 missionary, 69, doggy, cowgirl. You know,
the cowgirl.
Oh.
Yeah, me no know the cowgirl. Family no know the cowgirl.
So, right? You know.
Yeah.
But of course,
yes.
You know, so we need for make sure say the married women, woman more, not for just sit down no more the way to say no na me man. If you not ask another girl, you introduce to love making and not just the one style, because not to consider if no more you cook in house every day. You cook different variety of food. So make sure say you said that. And then anyway, the man you inside will go there and do that. This is for women.
I do that side. I do that. For you see where the audience they explain more.
Yeah.
Because they say they participate. Because the woman for make more the man can own.
Yeah.
So they talk. Right? for make sure say you bring the man come home, I go bring and come home, make sure say what he like, you promote him. Because say you give the style that way you want. Because from where like I say you get a German style, I say
I'll take this. Hello, good evening. Yes, good evening. Welcome to Law Factor.
Yeah. How the evening. Now other thing back we I want put we the mona with the among some of we the man is hopefully.
Yeah.
Number one. So woman then or some man they when they don't married, now that time they can see the fine one in a sweet way, they take the attraction. But you woman back again. I don't see him not to one, not to two. Even Sunday, a man they bring the complaint come. Like the side way to the best. See when he asks the woman say tire. The next minute when he cannot play with him, say where does he say yes, the man don't in at the speed lane now. They grab the side towel, he go watch. But when he come, he went to office to the door. But when a boyfriend, Lord have mercy. Hey, they gladly for go shape till that. Now that time they sabi fish style. Now that time they sabi a chicken style. Oh, do you know? On a we talk to some we sister them. When you don't marry, you don't let go. Now one day you don't decide. Now you don't pick. And another day don't look among all them fly catcher the way you don't get. Now they look like can cover you, can marry you. So at least go all out like please them. Some tribe they when they go for go marry, they send them for my fucking they go marry for. So why can't pack away seafood? So that I see, put me food on a bed, no can call me there. Osia, what you married for?
Yeah.
Then you go to one at treats, then you suffer demand. So this can make some demand then go na treats.
Yeah.
Although some demand they like I make the turn there any kind way. Where I don't need a treat, they not treat. Like me, I don't get one. Not they talk, they not treat. That's okay. They talk now, they not treat. All kind thing. Where I came on, I say, boy, you said, today, you know, in which my fucking chief double. You don't say, wait, see my Totokao. Now it's okay. Mama, waking, go there. Effective. I just enjoy it. Effective. But me, I get one way where I can catch them. Any me man where I don't ever keep. Say I'm married, me man where I keep. Also, they catch you. That way they go my fucky. I know you want this spam, I know it 2 days, you want we tell you 1 month.
Wow.
So if you make you can put it is not spam in I'm not saying that you don't go here.
Alright.
So when they come back and say then they will do nothing. Now look me and I say look at I need to first walk away don't and all tell I they bring guy again for married. Not say no first no day inside. Waiting at me on forgive me and no go left on a tweet. Give me up. It can make serious confusion. So they are long the day we said, then the man and the woman, then they are.
No, the man then next week we get them. Yeah. Next week we get the man then. This week now for the woman then.
Okay.
I just said
the man then they are not talk to me.
Oh, don't lost that. But the contribution was on point and all. The other thing I could need for talk to some of sister them. Some man we see net don't like as I say really some man are for religion because when they say we don't turn born again, the very Bible. You man now you when you don't marry to you man, you know you marry property. When you man don't marry to you, you say they go leave your mother and father and the two shall become one. So that limitation not for they probably to say when I get an understanding say okay, so say this two they do to man they enjoy them or that's a different thing. But not use religion for begin limit you man. Yes, for the guys we'll take you because Mr. Finley can.
Yeah. Hello caller. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor. Good evening, thank you. But one for make you lower the volume of your television set. Thank you. The television volume they up. You said that you really talk, right? So low, so we hear you clearly.
Won't take me call.
You want for call me back? Thank you.
No,
right. Dear, when you call for take part in the program, make sure say you come out na the television quickly, as you know, say we don't answer your call or you dull so that we no go get feedback, because when you talk you compete with your sound. We get another caller. Diana, please.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. Welcome to Love Factor.
Blessed evening, Mama Diana and Daddy Munanua.
Captain Bibi.
Okay, Daddy Bami. Last week I called for doing contribution. They are going to begin now. That young boy became married, you understand? Concerning relating, okay, well, first of all, I really want to appreciate you and that madam really near you.
Okay.
Yeah. It's probably great. The thing is like, tell me that it's like one who uploads something of you and carry I wish you.
Yeah, not to turn.
Okay.
Thank you.
Concerning that side, who say you introduce and say at times wolfen cream, the man can relax and then you just open shirt and button and relax and chair. You make up a wolfen cream or waiting that you can. You like it, I was like some money may not worry. Really, because like imagine maybe we don't clients we work with some money get money you work for and we can to the last small steps and boom by embarrassment, tell you all kind of words, all those stuff. So like you cannot not almost like you can have the station for your family or for your partner or for your wife. To relax and say mind the rest of the big stuff, you know, enjoy you the way you can to say make sure. You know, because not all every man can go friend, you understand? They can't more like that. Me say.
Yeah, for the change.
Or that call away correction for friend. When you're not forced, you like say you catch daddy. If you want this one, so what's wrong? I'm not saying working stressful, your face stressful. Okay, so go for the go take it back and this and that or anything. Don't from there we can now. Junk food if you say okay. It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. It's a good. Exactly.
I'm a young guy, but I get two picking, one bobo, one girl appear. You know, like on a relationship, you know, matter women, if you buy like a dog, the big dog, we could back and say you have well family put on for one. You understand? But we want to the difference between what times they smell, at times they smell in the eat, at times they smell when you eat. Remember that, but me, the a woman again, or something in now. Yeah, woman, because man, so naturally was sweet.
All right, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. No, I agree with you, yes, not to all times. Some people, and the way they come out, like stress, sometimes the man can really tire. It don't necessarily mean say everything not just sex. Oral sex day, you can play with your man. Sometimes you play with him. So even if you're not in the mood, if you end up for day in the mood, or maybe so even if you're not in the mood for make love, it can come, it go discharge as mama may release, it relax, they go as a sleep.
In fact, that puts the men to sleep.
Yes, it not necessarily means everything about the actual sex itself.
Penetration.
Oh yes, penetration. It's all about just relaxing and giving a very romantic atmosphere, putting, you know, to get a very beautiful mindset before going to bed. Like I mean, describe or talk about somebody who have been telling me the last and say, in don't tire, the woman, the place they hot, they wear pajamas, they wear socks, they wear cold cap, they cover.
Yes.
Now they kill yourself.
No, they kill themselves.
Then
they send the man out to
you are killing yourself and you are killing your relationship, your marriage. They kill your happiness.
Yep.
You see, let's take this call. Hello, good evening.
How do you, Mama? How you do?
Tell God thank you.
Really, thank you.
Yeah.
since I see this program on TV at the CM, but I know the focus on past day where I don't they look focus. I really admire, I learned something this night. All that they talk so wallahi, they experience a lot of things. I mean, marriage life. Yeah. Guy like me, from since we are mature, to this point, I don't know what in our boyfriend, girlfriend business.
Okay.
But from since we are married, mashallah, I am facing some certain constraint. Yes, me and a man I can just let the woman enter me no more.
Okay.
Yes, sit down together, enter me no more.
Okay.
Play with me without no sex.
Okay.
Yes, that day alone, yes, I can feel something. Yes, but from since when we get this marriage.
Oh,
we lost the call. Wow.
Please now for call back a big dear, because I should say every problem gets a solution. I should say, and that's what therefore we get people in there. So we tire other people and we sabi pass where do we go up most dear calling for call back. Yes, Madam Wani, for we the woman them. Then one day we feel say because you don't married for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you need to do nothing. Hey, no come work me Westbourne in a freestyle. Me not so rare girl. No little with me like you don't think rare girl them. No little me like now. You know, we get this mentality where it just not right. I don't know who say we woman can pull her. Sometimes we party they can advise we bad.
It's the female ego.
That is not a female ego. Sorry, now female ignorance, not a female ego down there by me left. And it talks to serious there. Now female ignorance, because honestly, one, the sex life, the sex not to the man no more. You just say they enjoy, because if you mind relaxed, you body they relax, you they enjoy, and you they tell you man what you want it do to you. You they enjoy them, and instead they enjoy them. At the end of the day, anything you ask them for, it they give you them moments and they. Now this thing.
But I feel to say you want to say at the end of the day, una all two they get good health benefits.
No, yes, of course. Now we go get the doctor business, the medical person. I go tell you that we they get the health benefits, but at the same time, no, what are they trying to say?
I know, right?
The female ignorance. One, we can listen to friends. I mean, they take that. You know, don't come on and take it. It can begin to. Me, they take them away. She can just take me. Some of them they lie. Some of them want to man them. Some of them want to kind man them. They not get them. So the best they can give you now bad advice will go affect your relationship. It go affect your happiness. It go affect the sweetness of what I for enjoy you like. Yeah, you marriage and all thing. It they advise you and they will go look if a man can let a man do wrong like baby. If a man not get the slap on the ground for see the green. So why you not for agree with him? Especially if you say no, but me serious. Especially if you say you dey in love with this person. Especially if no problem, they not say relationship no get problem. But if you are in love with this person, most times sex they solve problems. It does. So I want you rub more by this small. So women will get this attitude.
I know. Probably when you can combine this as well. You know, true say talk me. You get people away don't they 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and counting in marriage. And so for as long as they don't leave, I know they talk about the one day we probably other factors go down above the relationship. There are times the sex can don't go low within the agenda of the activities they will and they do. So how do we have them spice that up again?
Thank you very much. Like where would they explain what listen back again? You see, because you go for spicing up, and I go do and for make sure say because as you the age, the sex drive they decrease. So I go improve on that one day for motivate the man. Make sure say what he like you do am. And when you can like what I explained earlier on, no, she don't say go where we don't marry. First of all, make sure say that tell you for be more sexy. Yeah. Wear the hot pants. Wait till they expose your skin so that at least the man will say, how you dress so? For turn the man on because you make her mentally and physically ready for for playing the game with you.
Yes,
Now,
but you know, normally once it's within the first 2 years, yes, it's applicable. After that, now you find out say 4, 5 years, 6 years. Where church and so they say I don't make so.
No, I look at the advice. No, but if you play with herself, you encourage her. We can like say we can smile to her.
Yeah.
You don't come up from a stressful work from work. You can. I like you vex them. Just give her a hug, a smile.
They left the office now.
Yes, you are back.
This
home,
is
right?
home.
Yes, you do all the things do for her. Then when they change the position, the style step.
Exactly.
Because that's very key.
Because somebody don't say when they watch you from Koidu, he say best love teacher from Love Factor, Madam Wani. Watching live from Koidu City Board, Koidu City Kono District. There are many styles. You get ferry style, you get checkpoint style, you get dining room style, you get banana style, you get gallop style. What? This person there continue for send me all the different styles.
The styles.
Yes, hello, caller. Good evening and welcome to Love Factor.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Yes, good evening. That person sounds so much like a child.
You get speaking voice, but an adult, they get carried away and they talk with everything. You can understand. If you don't see yourself, just serve as turn on for some people. Just this talking.
Yes, talking.
Serve as turn on for people. So
they put the on.
Some man has sentimental music when he comes. Some man change the light. Some man not even film me one watch say just the music.
The music.
Yeah.
Chat. Ask how they walk. This that.
But like as I say, Wani, not to alter na actual sex penetration.
Of course,
you play with the person. Some man can really tire, and you get for sure understanding, you know, because that is another exercise, now another whole set of work. But if you can't be tired, you the woman do the work, not to alter the man they do the work. Do the job. Then that make una
the man not to alter. He says I will do the work because we do ourselves one night they enjoy the game, right? Because the man they come on and that's it now he go ejaculate fine for you.
Horse riding.
Yes. Like all the different style they.
Come on.
Make sure say yes. You know just like just kind of the snow. Apply all the techniques there. Touch all. First of all, identify the man in your ticklish spot. We say you go touch away, go holler, we go pull, we go talk foreign language, right?
Yeah.
So we don't identify that spot today. They call talk like you call and that bobo cut neck. We don't identify not only the penis, but the other side and then is breast self. Yes, in breast when you suck
around the neck.
Yes, just pass the tongue. You go see how you go they cry by you. Then so
and you know go outside again.
Go no way. If you go safe, you go come back. You go take the reverse gear when they take.
When you vex, you begin baby like say no one they keep woman like yeah. You know you
so I advise my sister them they married couples the way they have there. Well, no, she don't make like say. You know the point you because they say what you married for. Now follow na enjoy na body.
Yeah.
No, take this call. I don't know that possible call. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, good evening. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Love Factor.
Okay. Well, your contribution that I make to this program is that some woman is very boring. The woman is very boring. When you man come, you get for two things then. For me, when you talk to the man first, that's what make the man happy for the night. Somehow when man come, would make his face to go outside, they're all in this lapare. When man come, they feel sexy, you know? Yeah. Touch the man, raise them way, to go happy for the night.
Oh, okay.
But that's true.
No, but at the same time, what it's
yes.
Okay.
Touch her no more. You can just touch it like a breast, so just the nipple, just flick her no more.
Sometimes they can go to bathroom, just in the middle of you.
Yeah, it that require explain.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, we don't want to stay. They're on 2 hours now. Sometimes even inside bathroom, when they begin make love now, you they begin play with them, wash them, say okay, that was when they don't tell them what you this was.
So they like because man said I picking them up because they said like for making the pamper there. You just don't want the pamper, you know. Man and like for be pampered, right? So just take a like say that you born and I will born there actually, but pamper her so that at least you go come home all the time.
All right. Thank you very much, Wani, for we you take time for can talk to we about bedmatics. But interestingly, I go on for make you left with some parting words. The reason now that you find out say divorce rate now in country is high, and by the time when you listen to some of the cases, plenty, the man not satisfy me, the woman not good, apart from what all that in the way they happen. But we don't realize sex is an integral factor with the cement any love relationship. What would be your parting words?
Thank you so much. My parting words to the women that out there, because today's program now for them with the woman there. But make sure say we sustain, maintain, and promote to marriage lifestyle, right? First of all, for make sure say we do all we can for pamper the man, because when you maintain your sex life mentally, it make the man the happy. What you no one do for you must do and for you. Physically, the blood they flow, so the man it will reduce certain sickness for the man self, because it will get so bored. Yeah, that prostrate. Yes, this even hypertension, because it make romantically it always happy, right? Yes. It is smile. You go at if you tell yourself say, because when you don't know say you get a good sex relationship with you, anything want you, not only on the bed, we say bedmatic, you can do na kitchen,
kitchenmatics,
you can do
palomatics,
right?
Motomatics.
Motomatics.
Yes. But of course.
Yes. No, I make sure say the also because the beginning and the lamp
very fast.
Me no say my mama they cry, my papa they pan cry the later. So make sure say you maintain that, because physically, both you, not only the man, you say physically, emotionally, you grow, because it make you healthy. You reduce certain sickness then by you, so that at least physically you go be stable. You go do your job fine when you go self. What if you some man glad himself when you go work on money, right? That one he can call alimony. That how I don't call him that alimony. I don't call him sokoli. Sokoli. We get sokoli. We go to office. All they go happy.
Agile.
Agile.
Just sign the paper there.
Go to read that first, right? Before you sign the paper, right? So you go happy. Wake up, you go long for the come home, right? So when I meet a loving wife, he's smiling, welcome and very well. Yes, no
stress.
Just no stress.
No stress.
No stress. So make use of the opportunity so that our relationship will be stronger and healthier
and long lasting
and longer. Because like me now, I don't marry over 20 years. Yes. So I'm a big role model to my children and other people, because I try to maintain my marriage. Because if a man goes say, hey, we remember one day they come back home. Right? Yes. They come back home.
Thank you very much.
The boss, the boss of all the bosses.
Wadi, thank you. Yes,
thank you so much. Well, Madam Mani don't talk all in. All I have to say to we women, one of the things then we can make back, woman they stiff so because we need to take care of yourself. And when we conscious say, so woman they conscious say get a bad smell. So even if the man want to touch her any side, they begin I know want this. It conscious waiting a problem. But please, let me begin take care of yourself. You don't need perfume. You don't need roll on, because until you don't get the money for them. But you need just ordinary lem. It powerful. Me working clean fish or play with rank or something. Well, if I don't wash men with scent, sometimes you wash your hand with fine scent. They come out or they make the scent even and the scent terrible. I just they rub the lemon on me and them. I left them for some time. They were by the time I wash and now we don't clean. So likewise, we body, take care of yourself. You man not go afraid for touching on side, not go afraid for putting up by you on side, you not go afraid for do anything to you. Likewise, the man says about the man like as I said next week. But we women, please take care of yourself. So till next week, and they say tata.
Okay. Diana say take care of yourself. And so till next week, in they say tata. Me they tell you say, understand as a woman. Say, now you get the host. Now you keep the relationship. Bedmatics is an art, it's a skill, just like when you do cook. Understand, say you get for improve on your cooking abilities. So now, so you get for improve on the bedmatics. You can change and get any kind name where you want, but make sure say you dey in control. Hola, do whatever you want for do. Maintain them, sustain them. Make sure say you get the experience, develop the experience, do all your research, and then you see, una can do research together. You can do research you angry, but make sure say once you don't say for better or for worse, it's something where you know for just look say I do go back, I come on inside there. Salon, we want to make love prevail, and by God in power, love, long-lasting relationship go continue for prevail once we educate ourselves through SLBC platform where we call Love Factor. Not forget, Valentine they come, and stand by for the surprise. As you know, till next week. Thank you again to Wani. Thank you to the camera operator and with other people there. On behalf of management and staff, me, Bamidele Bailey, Captain BB, they say good night, have a pleasant week.
Life no go ever sweet without that thing what we call love. Now that make
Love Factor a very good program where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program it made around land for my and I wonder you say life.
The Love Factor show is about family, love, counseling,
relationship. Also with the build and maintain relationship. This is a program also with the counsel you for let you know how for them with your partner. Let you know how for settle disputes between you and your heart to heart.
Well, you do hear it for yourself.
Join the Love Factor team
every Sunday, 10 p.m.
for help make we all enjoy love and peace.